Happy Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Sunday. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Make sure you smack that like button. It's about to go down. Oh yeah. Shout out to everybody on the stream.
Talk your shit, talk your shit. Motherfucking lifestyle.
Let's go. New tyllionaire. Smack that like button. Let's get it. Happy Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Big teams beam on life. Dream team style, big teams still wild. One tribe. Niggas still loud all time. Big time, 35 knocks to life. Still drive, still got game on fly. Never on clutch, motherfucker, I'm hot. Turn up the notches, I move like the gods. Attach the energy, still move efficiently. Watching the owls who move like a snake. Watching the time like this hourly wage. Money,
where you guys from in the chat? Let me know.
Support for the day. Tight in my stops, now I'm playing the lane. Rocking this bitch like it's blood in my veins.
Yo, where you guys from in the chat? Let me know. Smash that like button. Happy Sunday. We're gonna get right into it in just a second. Let's go.
Knock 3 down, 5 TRADDEEE, 10 drive fleets, stay G kids, keep dreams up high. Still bone rise, lifestyle, still vibes. Black force energy, nigga. Pick up the pieces, but please be inclusive, my nigga. Break up some bread and you Gucci, my nigga. Focus right here for the loot to start. Locking up with the movie art. Articulate back to your movie cart. We the red place and I move the art. Like Bosky at culture and new stars. Now back to real life and that's moving smart. Rocking so much, nothing new to us. I don't move if it don't include the trust or clause or something. Show me the money or call for the pulling. Keep this shit business, my nigga. Delivery can't bring the riches, my nigga.
We're gonna drop that soon. We're gonna drop that soon, man. We're gonna drop that soon. That was mixed by Rob Legacy, man. That was mixed by Rob Legacy, and the producer behind that song was the real Young Link. So shout out to everybody that fucks with me with the production and all of that. You feel me? I definitely appreciate the whole squad. Definitely appreciate the team behind me. Shout out to Trey Gang too. Trey Gang! You know what the fuck it is? The whole vibes, man. Happy Sunday. So we're gonna get right into it. Start off with Nasdaq. So, I mean, every single week, Nasdaq has literally just been smacking new highs. All right, if you're looking at this area chart right here, the only thing you can see on this is just gains. Up, 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 up. So in a sense, all that's telling you is, look, we're going up from here. We are going up from here. This little dip right here, where you see this dip inside of this area chart, you're probably like, yo, what's that dip? So remember when the whole coronavirus thing just hit the States, just hit your countries, and I mean, really, it was the biggest thing in the world. Now it's kind of subdued. People have been able to, people and companies have been able to manufacture aids to help, et cetera, et cetera. So a lot of people were like, yo, they're like, yo, so why does Nasdaq keep pushing? So then you have to go look at the company as a side of the Nasdaq. You have to go look at what's truly driving this market and getting it like that. So let's get it. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna actually go into this right now. So all right, I want you to look at something. A lot of people, oh, how do we buy the dip? How do we enter? You got some traders, you know, who just turned, what was I about to say? You got some traders who just started trading, they just turned 18, so they can get their accounts now officially. So, I mean, how do you enter? All right, let's say you want to get into the index fund world, the ETF world, or something like that. How do you enter? So a great price is literally right here at this tip. That's like, where is that at? I thought price was going to get to like that 11,000 area. It's still hovering at 11,140. I thought it was going to go to 11,000. So you go ahead and get a better entry. But I mean, shit, it looks like market doesn't want to give you that. All right, we'll do US 30 next as well. I need you guys to spam that chat though. Where everybody at? Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. What's good, man? Spam that chat, spam that chat, spam that chat. Where y'all from in the comment section? Let me know. All right, let me go ahead. I gotta, you know, I do my little joint where I gotta live on YouTube currently. Tap in. I see people spamming the chat right now, and we about to break down this NAS. You're probably like, what's all this ugly shit he has on the chart? Well, I don't know who follows me on Twitch. Okay, so all I was doing on this chart is showing people that there was a weekly trend. This was an old Fibonacci. We can go ahead and delete that. All right, so I don't know, 2 weeks ago, I gave you guys a great entry. I don't know who was able to get in. You feel me? Down in this area, it was like the 10,300 area. So if you're able to get in, you really should keep writing. I mean, really, you should have been buying and holding this motherfucker. This is the Nasdaq, baby. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know how to trade indexes and stuff like that, a lot of people, they will scalp this, and you do and will make great money scalping. But the whales buy in May and go away. You know what I mean? So are we still in an uptrend? Yes, we're still in an uptrend. This is the weekly chart. This is a weekly analysis. We will go down and start breaking down the other time frames as well. But just to get a general direction on the market, that's a strong trend. This is a strong weekly trend, strong monthly trends. We've been bullish. We're currently in a bull market. If you ask anybody in finance what type of market we're in, they'll tell you that we're either in a fucking bull market or a kangaroo market. A dinosaur market, you know what I mean? But now, in all seriousness, this is a bull market, so you guys should be looking for buys. You feel me? You guys should be looking for buys in a bull market. So how do you get buys in a bull market? You have to wait for the dips. I know, buy at the dips, you know, but look, the thing is, you just have to wait for a low price. So let's break it down and go to the daily. So this was the whole NFP day. Market was red, but really it was just like a retest day. We had a whole week of fucking green, whole week of market just rising. So you needed the day so it can recharge and reset. Some people were like, yo man, 11,004, 11,002 is a great price, and I'm gonna go ahead and cash out right now. You know what I mean? Nas is Nasdaq, okay? Nas is Nasdaq. He said this low key carries over into Robinhood. Not even low key, high key. You feel me? High key. I be trying to get y'all right, man. If you, it's a lot of people who've came and, you know, been able to pay off student loans, been able to pay doctor's bills and everything else, you know what I mean? Just from some of this information. So hopefully you guys are taking this and not using it. I mean, taking it and not taking it as a grain of salt and really using this to forward what you doing, you know what I mean? I really want to see you guys successful. That's why I give you the long-term shit and tell you like, hey man, you need to get on this long-term shit. Like that's just what it is, okay? And yeah, we'll spam that too. And also, we opened up TRADEEE, the TRADEEE website. So if you guys have already got merch, some of that merch will be going out Monday. Others will be going out during the week, depending on what it is that you ordered. All right. So definitely, there's a sale going on right now. So go there, check out the website, TRADEEE.com, and make sure you grab your hoodies. Make sure you grab everything you can grab, because I mean, you already know how it goes. You feel me? Especially as we're building and growing as a brand. Like, you got to go look at what the brand has done up until this point. You know what I mean? And then like where we're going. So what's cool about the brand is I've actually been able to incorporate some technology inside of the threads. You know what I mean? So there's gonna be certain things you'll be able to do, and it'll lead you to websites, you know, and lead you to different places just from, you know, the shit in your clothes. You're probably like, what the fuck? But like I said, man, every single week for the next 4 weeks, we'll be dropping and updating that site with new stuff. So make sure you are definitely on that. And then also, if you're here, make sure you go ahead and watch and smash that like button. So Nasdaq, do I feel like it's gonna keep dumping? I had this little circle here because I thought it was gonna get to this area, and the area that is just a little resistance area. I mean, resistance, old support, old resistance becomes new support. So this is old resistance. That's why you see those two banks off of there. And now I'm thinking, okay, it become new support. But in a sense, price already kind of leveled up right there. If you just move that up a little bit, all right, and bring this down, you'll see that price has already bounced off there. So that's why you have this candlestick. So the thing is about candlesticks, right? You have to know the story of these candlesticks. That's why I've given you guys the books to go read. You say, yeah, you got that from Nipsey. Yeah, I did, bro. I studied his brand. I studied how he built that brand, and I really appreciate what he was doing for the culture. You know what I mean? And yeah, but I definitely did. But the thing is, like, I'm not afraid to pay homage. Like, yeah, we did get that page out of Nipsey's book. Yeah, we did, you know what I mean? But that's me though. Like, I'll tell you where I got it from. Just like I told you where to go get the books and all of that, you know what I mean? So boom, so we got price bouncing off the bottom of here. You see price hit this 11,100, like it's, oh, never mind, that's 11,000 straight, huh? Okay, so did hit 11,000 straight. So it already hit that 11,000 straight, bounced off of that shit. So now, if you have been watching Trump, I know nobody pays attention to the news and shit, but if you have been watching Trump, he's definitely been touting that shit, the indexes, meaning that the stock market is doing extremely well, and he keeps touting that as well. If you guys follow me on Twitch, we went and found some companies that were supposed to get billions of dollars to produce more coronavirus vaccines, coronavirus AIDS, COVID-19 aid. You know what I mean? I won't tell you the companies because you should have been on Twitch and stuff like that. But definitely, I do see a strong future for the Nasdaq. I do see a strong future for this index. And as to where we're going in the American business and economy, it's literally looking like it's only up from here. I know a lot of people are afraid because they're worried about jobs and shit like that. But if you haven't noticed, right? If you haven't noticed, if you haven't noticed, a lot of the jobs are going online. The business owners are trying to find ways to stay in business, even if that means replacing a human with artificial intelligence, replacing a human with automated process. You know what I mean? And not that, oh, they don't want people to work, but shit, just on the business end, like it's gonna get harder because now you're gonna need the medical care. It's just a lot of extra shit that's going on. You know what I mean? So definitely, I would say now's the time, if you haven't already. Do everything you can to learn about business. Do everything you can to learn about how to keep yourself on your feet. So that's Nasdaq. We can go to smaller time frames if you want. All right. On the 4 hour, you see that pin bar right there. All right. So you're like, yo, I think that's a beautiful setup. For one, I'm gonna show you something. We got congestion right here. All right. You're like, what's congestion? It's just like, in a sense, this will be new demand. This will be new supply at the top. This will be new demand. So you have a pin bar, okay, pushing out of the demand zone. Also, you have the pin bar coming off when we checked it on the 4 hour, right? When we checked it on the 4 hour, we looked at how price retested off that 11,000 area. Okay, so if people aren't in NAS, this may be a great opportunity for you guys to get in. It's a pin bar, but this pin bar is like it's in a sense like a shooting star. All right, so all this is telling us, I'm gonna tell you the story and then we'll move on. We'll move on through the rest, but just so I could break down what I see exactly, I want you guys to be like, man, what's going on? Like, let me tell you exactly what it is. All right. So here's the story of this candlestick. So when this candlestick started, this is the 4 hour. Initially, it dropped down. Boom. Okay. It did. And then it dropped down into an area like this. See how this little area, we'll call this a congestion area over here. All right. So prices dropped down into this congestion area. It got there and it didn't break through. So we'll write an X right here and say price didn't break through. It got rejected. So that's just like if you were to dribble the ball down the court. Boom, you dribbling the ball down the court. You think you got a fast break, and then a motherfucker who really got the willies pull up behind you like, what's up, nigga? Jump in the air, right? You go up thinking you about to dunk. So you go in the air feeling extra confident. You like, yeah, I'm about to whoop. Put the ball behind your back and everything else. As soon as you put it up to this hand right here, motherfucking LeBron James come from behind the court and just pop, smack your shit right against the wall. You know what I'm saying? Right against the backboard. Now you looking big goofy. So basically that's what happened right here in this play. This candlestick was looking big goofy. So it got rejected in this demand area right here. It got rejected. That's why I put that X. Okay. And then right after that, right after the rejection, I'm gonna go ahead and change it to green. Right after rejection, price pushed up. Boom. Hold on. Right after that rejection, price pushed up. Boom. And now it's just sitting right here. So that's that doji. So that's the story of that candlestick. Dropped down, got rejected, pushed back up, and then closed. So it closed on a pin bar. Okay. So in a sense, it's kind of letting us know the direction. If the direction was pushing, if it bounced off the back and pushed back up, it should continue. All right. Next candlestick could turn into it probably drop one more time just because on some Sunday shit. Like, I don't know, the market stay manipulating and shit like that. You know what I mean? So really, if it drops back down to that 11th hour area, you may be able to grab some more buys, like, you know, and it's a possibility they can go down there one more time. All right, but the price is already pushed back up so heavily, like I just don't feel like it's gonna come down here again. Although it's a demand zone and it's been here, so it could retest. Okay, one more time just because that demand zone is strong as fuck. And this is a pin bar, okay, in the zone. So it's like everything's kind of lined up, just take off to the next. So the next candlestick should be a fucking green bullish candlestick. All right. And yeah, if it does get below the green line, then yeah, sell for sure. But I mean, it's the index. Like if you're banking on the Nasdaq crashing, bro, you might as well get out the market. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Shit, look, before Nasdaq crashed, look, I'm saying Donald Trump implement his Donald Trump strategy. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker, he be tweeting and he tweets already. He does his part, but he'll definitely go ahead and implement the Donald Trump strategy. Oh man, the Nasdaq is about to rise to 13,000 this month. You know what I'm saying? Now everybody's gonna go fucking buy that bitch because he said it. So you just got to look at the manipulation and shit and see how everything is moving and stuff like that. All right, let's get it. He said, you driving in LA, listen to my knowledge. Hey, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, Dan. Appreciate that, Dan. Let's get it. So this is Nasdaq, man. We marked everything up. You already know we're on that trend. Okay. So let me go ahead and delete all this off the chart. All right, delete all this off the chart. Set back up. All right, so this is mine, and that's how I'm gonna leave it. This is how my daily is gonna be. I already have the retest right here. So if anything, shit, I'm just waiting for another possible retest or a continuation and we keep going up. Where I feel like Nasdaq is going to end off for the month, to be honest, I feel like we might be at like 11.7 or 12th for the month. Okay, so we still got 3 weeks to get there, but I definitely see and know that we're gonna have that extra help from, you know, your president. He said he called him your president, bro, fool, but not from your president. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it's gonna be. All right. Yo, man, if you haven't already, we've been live for the last 15 minutes. Make sure you tap in. It's about to be lit, man. Make sure you tap in and get this knowledge. Let's get it. Yo, man, if you haven't already, we've been live for the last 15 minutes. So I had to, you know, I'd be posting for the Instagram and all of that stuff like that. You feel me? But shout out to all y'all, you know, who rock with me and stuff. So we're going to move from NAS. All right. But I can't move from NAS without playing NASDAQ. So as we move along from NASDAQ, we're going to go from NASDAQ to US 30. All right. And then definitely appreciate you guys. Like I said, appreciate you guys who've went shopping on TradeGain.com. If you haven't already, make sure you go grab your merch. Make sure you go grab your stuff. The store updates and we restock every Friday. All right. Some items may or may not be there, but definitely you should be checking that jit. You know what I'm saying? Checking that jit because it's going to be lit. Hey, yo, Kizzy, what the fuck? Man, shit, bro, I keep sending these tracks through.
Here we go, 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 here we go. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the broke, that's a big back. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Run up the broke, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, bought some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currencies, just a little tip. Nas 100, that's some big shit. US 30-yard profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run, baby, so I'm back in. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, bottle in with it. Withdraw it. Then you sandwich it. That's right. Get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and then fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory, ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the parter. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in? What's really good? Niggas never been a boss, but talking pack shit. You don't even own your own master, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So that was that Nas 100. That was that Nas 100. A lot of people like that song, man. Honestly, I can't wait to get into concerts and we Nasdaq, Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. And then the DJ cut the song and everybody be like, bitch, that shit go be lit. Whole stadium going up, man. Whole stadium going up. Hey, it's crazy. A lot of network marketing. And notice I said network marketing companies have been over here looking at the vibes, man. They've been trying to create artists, hire artists, do everything else to try to get. The thing is, they want our culture. And see, a lot of these guys are sellouts. They stay selling out the culture and shit, man, but I don't give a fuck. Matter of fact, I got a song for that about selling out, you know what I'm saying? But we're not gonna sell out the culture. We're gonna keep that shit culture, you know what I mean? And let's get it like that. So SPX5, right? S&P 500, I don't know who trades the Standard & Poor's 500, but this is a very, very sturdy, it's a very, very sturdy index, all right? And what I mean is, like, shit, the people who are professional investors who are really in the index and ETFs and stuff like that, like, man, they motherfucking buy a few index funds and SPX, you know, invest a little bit of money every single month until they don't feel like it no more. And they already know that they're gonna get at least 8 to 10% returns, you know what I'm saying, per year on this motherfucker. Like, that's how much they believe in the American economy. And the thing is, like, shit, this particular index in itself will outperform most of your little Forex gurus. These guys have gambling problems. You know what I'm saying? That's why they like, I gotta turn 500 into 2,000 in one day. Like, bro, you're extremely over leveraging your shit. And I mean, that's just the stressful gambling. You know what I mean? Stressful gambling. All right. Let me know in the chat as well if you guys have traded NFP. Let me know in the chat if you guys have traded in NFP, and then also let me know how your results were with that. Let me know how your results was with the NFP joint. You feel me? Let's get it. I'm looking for that. Please stop selling out. I know I got it on here. You feel me? I gotta fucking Google it. Stop. Boom. There it is, right there. Please stop selling out. Let's get that going up in this jit. Let's get that going in this jit. But definitely, I'll go in. You're asking what chart I'm on. I'm on a daily chart, so I'll go in and I'll break this jit down. You know, I'll go in and break this jit all the way down so you can see really what it is and where we're at. And you're like, oh, why do you still feel that the Nasdaq is gonna be bullish, huh? Why do you still feel like the Nasdaq is gonna be bullish? You know, and I'm about to explain that right now. So I'm gonna let Please Stop Selling Out bang in the background. You feel me? I'm tired of all these all my peoples, you know, selling out for these MLM Forex foreign exchange companies, but they've always these niggas assigned the labels and everything else, so they don't know nothing but getting their tail ripped, you know, they fucking their whole booty hole open. They don't know nothing about it, you know what I'm saying? So they used to that shit. But over here it's a whole different vibe, baby. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna stay true to ours, nigga, in this building. Feel me? Please stop selling out.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Come on.
Please stop selling that.
If y'all know the lyrics to this, man, just sing along or type along in the chat. Let's get it.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to break it down now.
Please stop selling that. Yeah, man. Please stop selling that. Please stop selling that. Oh yeah. Bitch, I do my own damn thing. Ain't a damn thing change G shit. Do rag gold while the stock market hit. Penny stock, gut up now. VPN on the route. Binary, optional. For the cloud marker maker, and I make the market move unannounced. King shit. It been chance since the day I played it out. Commander in chief, commanding plays through the south. I'm talking continent, say yourself from the doubt. We own a bigger cheese, what you see, shut your mouth. The operation booming, 2 subs, keep it loud. Call the bank sales, we need safe clearance. Got the fingerprinter if you need a fingerprinters. Bigger heights in history and you can't get near us. We control the money, you just sit there and you listen. We in the next phase, so fuck if you hurt. Should've got correct when you had control first. We gon' grind it on out and legally ride banks
In their own house. All right, that was that young Please Stop Selling Out, man. That's that West Coast vibe, you know what I mean? That's that West Coast vibe. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So, all right, now, as we look at this SPX5 uptrend, look, so already, the thing is, I like to break shit down just because, you know, I got new people that come in. For the people who actually come through and know how to trade, and it's like, okay, they can just kind of double confirm, right? But for those who are new and stuff, I like getting on here and just give you guys kind of like a little sample, free little sample and stuff, just so you guys can be able to figure out shit, just how we can get on track. You know, all you got to do really just, this is how you could do it. You want to check it, go back to all of my weekly analysis and just see how they match up. The charts never lie. You literally could go back charts and charts and charts, just see how, does Ty know what he's talking about? Does he know what he's talking about? Yeah, you know, does he know or not? You know, shit, listen to this guy. He got that fucking trash music, you know. Turn off that tyllionaire, turn on some motherfucking what is that? Yeah. Turn on some Beethoven, you know what I'm saying? We don't need to listen to the music without the words, you know? And they don't need those words messing us up. But nah, so boom. So here's our new demand zone. All right, you're probably like, why would you call this a new demand zone? Well, the thing is, you can see it. You see all the traction here, all right? You see how price isn't necessarily breaking out of this, and now it's support or is demand. It's a demand zone, okay? So then not only do we have a demand zone here, right? Healthy higher highs and higher lows signaling a fire uptrend. So now let's go back and just show you that, hey, we do need to get to this little 3,400, 3,500 area. That's where my target was set, and I'll show you why it was set there and things like that. But shit, really, I feel like I can hold throughout the year. So this is the 4 hour, all right, this is the daily, all right. On the 4 hour, you see those nice healthy trends, okay? You see the higher highs and higher lows. You're like, what are those, Ty? I'm about to go down and show you right now. All right, super simple. So boom, higher high, all right. Another higher high in this area right here, another higher high in this area right here. Here we are at another higher high, okay, and then where price closed at, it's in this demand zone, but it's literally like it's trying to peak out. So market opens up. Hey, what's good, Chucky? What's good, Chucky? Hey, bro, be showing love on Twitch too, man. If you got a pair you want me to mark up, Chucky, let me know, bro. Appreciate the dono, man. Appreciate the dono. Trade gang shit. Let's get it. And also let me know what Forex books, right? What Forex books you guys like. Let me know in the chat too. We want to keep this chat extremely active. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're gonna keep this chat extremely active. Let's get it. All right. So here's the new demand zone. You see how it's pushing higher highs. All right. Now I can go ahead and, you know, if I want to, just run all these arrows back. Okay. Put a fucking trend line right here. Bang. Trend line underneath. See how that, you see how price is touching all of these areas? Boom, every time it gets in that area near that trend line or that price on a higher low, we getting that push to the upside. So here we are again. So what will price do? We're at resistance currently. All right, so market opens up, either A is gonna gap and continue going up, or it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. It's at resistance, pull back a little bit Sunday, Monday, and then shit, or pull back a little bit Sunday and then early Monday really start trying to get cracking and move, you feel me, and move into the direction it's supposed to go. I definitely feel like the week will end up around like 3,400 or maybe not even get to 3,400, you feel me? Maybe it get to shit. Let me see, because this is August right here, so this is the first week. Shit, we did 100 points the first week, so we should do another 100 points the next week. So it looks like this next week got another 100. That should take us up to this 4 area. So let's see if we get up to this 3,400 area, this 3,400 area, and get it cracking like that. So see a lot of people in the chat. You guys, you like trading in zone, you like naked forex, you like trading for a living. Okay, those are some really cool books. Those are some really cool books. All right, so let's move along. All right, so we already got 2 indications that 2 markets are going to be very bullish, which is Nasdaq, which you guys see. You seen that in demand zone as well, and then SPX 500, you see this in this demand zone as well, about to bounce off and continue to uptrend, continue the northern trend. If you tap into my Twitch weekly, all right, so from 8 to 10 on Twitch, I do either Fortnite or just chatting. So in just chatting, we talk about the market, we talk about stocks, we talk about shit, new stocks, new updates, new companies. So definitely if you haven't already, I'm gonna type my Twitch right here and then I'm gonna move along. All right. You know, I've seen a lot of stock dudes, they like doing Sundays now because we like doing Sundays. So I said, you know what, fuck it, I'll do every day, you little bitch. Fuck your course. Let's get it. Twitch.tv/tyllionaire. Let's get it though. So next, okay, I'm gonna get to this chart. This was the funniest shit ever, right? I seen this, I wanted to react to it. I already react to it, but when I seen it, I explained this shit, it was too funny. Some of y'all charts be looking like this right here. This is called chart art. You know, you motherfucking SpongeBob patterns, you know? I'm looking for the SpongeBob pattern. Where do I get in? Do I jump off the nose or not? Head ass. You feel me? But nah, let's move along and get to that US 30. All right, we're gonna get to that big boy shit now. Let's get to that big boy shit now. All right. Now, I want you to look at this area chart. I'll pull this area chart up on the Fortnite. I was about to say on the Fortnite. Oh shit, I'm gonna put this area chart up on the big shit too. So, but I want you to look at this area and just see, like, where's the next area we're going to? That's at 28,000. We're 500 points away from 28,000, with the big goal being 29.5 or 30K up here in this area. But this is a strong, healthy trend too. Now, is the Dow moving like the Nasdaq, where it's just one straight ass push? Nah. But let me tell you, when the Nasdaq finally breaks out, which I mean, it's gonna get there maybe like mid. We're already pretty much at the end of the year, huh? So maybe like, I don't know, October-ish, it should probably break out above that 29,000, 29.5 and really start busting and getting cracking. I feel like around October, November, man, motherfucking market gonna be moving. Then you gotta think we got politics too. So it's like, it's gonna be really interesting. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be really interesting to see everything go down. It's gonna really be interesting to see everything go down. All right, so let's get it like that. Trade gang shit, go camp out. Trade gang shit. Let's get it though. All right, so boom. So we got NAS already. We got US 30. Now let's go ahead and check out this US 30 and get on the move with this US 30. All right. So I don't remember when the fuck I marked this up. I probably marked this shit up on Twitch or something. Like I said, a lot of these markers, to be honest, I've been marking up through the week now because I stream on Twitch as well. So some of this shit is like, some of it's like, oh man, right? Like, you know, but hey, I want you to look at something too. So we've been marking demand zones all around. Hey, appreciate you guys, man. Y'all going crazy. Y'all said the Krusty Krab strategy. Easy call, easy call. Did you teach Forex to your queen? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. She's a beast, but she's more of like an investor. Shorty don't like get in there and trying to fucking run that shit up. She like to take the trade and then basically hold that shit long term. You know what I'm saying? So she like the index funds and ETFs and all of that stuff. So that's more so her get down. You know what I mean? And she called it stress free investing. I feel her though. Shit. She like, I ain't about to get in there like you and be fighting all day, trying to get shit cracking all day when I could just put my money and just let it grow. Like, I feel you. I feel you. You know what I mean? So boom, so now we're on this US 30, right? So initially I had this little pennant marked up, but this was on the daily. All right, so that's what I had on the daily. All right, so in a sense, it already broke out of our ascending triangle. All right, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. All right, so it broke out of that shit. So when did this week start? August 3rd. This is when we came into the market at the beginning of the week. So this was last Sunday. So last Sunday analysis, you could have got in at 26.5 and been holding throughout the entire week. Matter of fact, didn't I have a motherfucking Forex challenge for y'all? Hey, who completed the Forex challenge? Because all you're supposed to do is hold the damn trade for 2 days. You feel me? Yeah, how many people really got it cracking? I want to know how many people really got it cracking. Let's really see who got it cracking, man. Because I'm like, man, I know I gave this challenge out. The thing is, I gave you the trades and told you how to get cracking, even how to hold. I don't know who been paying attention. I don't know who get on here and pay attention, but let's get it. So we already spoke about this. Okay, when I was on Twitch, I found another demand zone. All right, and I could take this little purple area right here and just drag it across. You see, I don't even mess with it. I drag it across to where we see. Boom, right here on top. So in a sense, price came down to retest, and now it should continue pushing. So the next highest point is 27.5. I look, last week I was pushing it. Oh, we're gonna get 27.5, 27.5, 27.5. We didn't hit 27.5. Okay, I was wrong. We hit 27.4, 4.9. So 50 points away. Look, 50 points away from the 27.5. Lola, you said I held Wednesday morning to Friday morning. There you go. I did, but you said you did and got stopped out. Sheesh, man. Well, look, we want to see you guys. We want to see you guys prosper. We want to see you prosper. I want to see you, you know what I'm saying, keep growing and definitely just, you know, keep getting bigger and bigger. I definitely want to see you grow your accounts though. Like that's what it is. Like I want to see you grow your accounts. I want to see you grow them just big. And the only way to get it like that, to be honest, look, the only thing big to be honest is to do it like this. You gotta play for the long term. A lot of you have a gambling mentality, and you probably wonder, yo, Ty, why you so chill? Why you be so chill? Cause like, bro, I'm chill. I will literally let this market work for me. And that's the thing. That's the difference between me and a lot of other people. They see this shit and they're like, ooh, I can't wait to get in. I see this shit, I can't wait to put my money in, so this motherfucker can go to work for me. So simple. And that's what it is. You said you held Euro USD, easy call. But you got hit, say no mas. 303, say no mas. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Shout out to all y'all too, man. Be coming through, be showing love. You feel me? Let me pull up the YouTube comments. Make sure y'all share the feed too. Make sure y'all share the feed. Make sure y'all share the feed. Yo, we need to get up to that 1K, 2K, 3K. Let's keep them numbers running, man. Appreciate y'all. But hey, I definitely know and feel the US 30 or the Dow Jones will continue its strong ass push to the top side. Now, next week, okay, we got, how much did we do? We did 26, so we did about 1,000 points last week. So could we do another 1,000 points this week? So the first point that we need to hit is 27.5. Once I feel like 27.5 is a prominent area. Very prominent area. Once it hits to 27.5, we're gonna get some sort of retest. Okay, I don't know how big the retest is gonna be. Don't ask me because nobody fucking knows. Yeah, I know. No, you don't. Shut up. And that's just what it is. Okay, so boom, that 27.5, we're gonna get a slight retest at 27.5, and then price should keep price should continue and go ahead up to this 28,000. Now I'm looking at Dow, and last week we did 1,000 points last week on the Dow. Amazing, right? So could we do another 1,000 points this week on the Dow? Now we'll just have to see. Like I said, I definitely see this bull run going. All right, I could delete this and show you on the weekly what we're looking like. That's the weekly. So I mean, this is a strong weekly trend. The next point really is right here, sitting underneath, which is, let me go ahead and give you that red cake, man. Let me give you that real quick, man. Boom. So that's that first point, right? That's the first point we need to get to. So that's target one. All right, but then you got to look at it like, damn, this is a fire ass demand zone. It's not a full morning start right here, but damn, it's trying to. It's for sure trying to peek out of there. It's for sure trying to peek out of there. So, you know, appreciate you guys donating too, man. Let me go ahead and give y'all. You feel me? Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Let me hit you with another one. Motherfucking hype train, baby. Let's get it. Turn up, man. I need to see your energy, man. I need to see your energy. She said, yo, I had to hop on that Trade Boy Frit, something different. Keep spreading knowledge. Appreciate all you guys who have been showing love to the Trade Gang site, man. Appreciate all you have been showing love to the Trade Gang site. I'll pull it up later in this video. But appreciate all you who've just been showing love and really just helping the brand grow. I cannot wait to help to get you guys your products and stuff for you guys to wear them. Make sure you're sending in pictures and stuff, because on the Trade Gang Instagram, I'll be posting all the pictures. I'll be, you know, just doing it like that. But definitely appreciate you guys, man. You said, how do I feel about YG joining IML? Shit, I think YG was selling Forex signals his first day. I feel like, to be honest, I feel like it's dope. But as a black man, I feel like YG, just like Nipsey was trying to tell him, needs to handle his own business and figure out how to build his own. You know what I mean? Like, the thing is, everybody wants us to join, but it's like we're so much stronger. We're so much stronger if we build. You know what I mean? Like, oh, come join this. Like, nah, nigga, we're gonna build this Black Wall Street the right way. You feel me? The thing is, it's Black Wall Street. They want to let everybody into this motherfucker. As soon as we make money as a black community, no cap. They said the black dollar only stays in the community for what, 30 minutes? And there's our problem right there. So I need our artists to stop selling out, to hold it down for the community and really start building. You feel me? And I feel like that's how we're gonna grow. But other than that, I feel like shit, man. That's pretty dope. You know what I mean? That's pretty dope. That bro is interested in investing, because he should be interested in managing his own money. His record label's been fucking him over for years. You know what I mean? So even he'd tell you shit. Nipsey was telling him what to do and how to keep his shit straight. You know what I mean? So let's get it. But for sure, I feel like also if YG was really that nigga, he would have been put niggas on. He wouldn't even had to go through that affiliate program to do it. You know what I mean? Because I mean, bro's in it for, oh, I gotta get the cash. We know why you in it, bro. But show us how to eat. Let me see you take a trade. Show us how to eat. Show us how to get down. Cause in this market, we run this shit. Trade. What's up, nigga? All right, next. So boom, this that 28. Right? Slim Shady YG too. Bro, don't ever want to make a Forex track. Just in case he's watching. Definitely I'll Slim Shady, bro. You feel me? But we could probably collab in the future with some shit, maybe some ratchet Forex shit. You know, bro, go one in on the wave or something like that. But so look, we got Nasdaq pushing right now, right? This is the Nasdaq, my dumb ass. We got US 30 pushing right now. This is the demand zone. Demand zone. Boom. Let's get it. Demand zone. Bam, you see all that action popping right there. I could go ahead and throw them little lines in there for you, which we already did. All right, it's already moving out of that demand zone. So when price opens up, we may get a slight retest just because it's Sunday. Just because it's Sunday. You know what I mean? Just because it's Sunday, you guys should already know how Sundays come. Sundays are like the little pullback retest days. You feel me? And then we get cracking and go into the direction or the motherfucking market. You feel me? So the direction that we're going in is we need to hit that 28,000 area. First area that we're going to hit, that's 500 points away. Now, the market's done 1,000 points last week. Could we continue the trend? I'm looking at Nasdaq, I'm looking at US 30, and it's looking crazy. You feel me? So let's get it, man. He said YG only in it because he's seen you in it. Now I'm already knowing. Trust me, bro. Look, Christopher Terry, let me tell you the truth. Bro prize on the lives of ignorant African Americans. Bro, like nobody is really gonna put this shit out there, but it's just like when Ye was like, George Bush doesn't like black people. Like, come on, Christopher Terry. Like, nigga hiring new rappers every week to try to compete with us. But like I said, this is gonna be the only company that stands after all that fucking smoke is done. Niggas be, please buy back course to the death of us, bro. Chill, nigga. Get in the market, bro. Get in the market and get cracking. You feel me? Let's get this money. Let's get this money. So that's my markup for this. All right, and mind you, this is the weekly chart as well. So we looked at daily, we looked at weekly, we looked at 4 hour. I broke this down. The reason I broke down the 3 indexes is because you know that they lead the market. So that's why I spent as much time as I did today really breaking this shit down, because they lead the market. And if you want to be in track with the money, if you want to be in track with the bread, if you want to be in track with the big bucks, if you want to trade with the bank, if you're tired of getting fucked over by your record label, then that's why you need to be paying attention to this shit. Let's get it. Play money on waves. I got you. We'll play that money on waves. Hey, what do you guys think about the thumbnail for this week too? It was actually inspired by the moon and the astrology. Somebody told me that if I looked at the moon for at least an hour, you feel me, that I'll be able to at least put $200 million into my bank account. So I was like, you know what? Goddamn, I might as well go look at this astrology shit. You know what I'm saying? Look at the moon and figure out how I could turn into a wolf and trade Forex. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's get it. So I'm about to turn on that money on waves. Hey, but really listen to the words in this song. No bullshit though. Listen to the words in this song. I want y'all to really hear what we got saying. Like, this trade music shit different. This trade music joint different. Like our whole vibe different. What we talk about is different. Our culture different. So let's get it though. Let's get it. Money on waves about to drop in a few seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and go over to gold, and then we start going to the currencies and stuff like that. You feel me? But I always like to do the big shit first. Let's get the big shit out the way. And really, I want to break down everything I truly saw in this so I can give you guys the best analysis. This will translate into the stock market. This will translate into your binary options markets, your options market, your index funds market, your ETFs market, whatever market you're looking at, and you follow the actual market, you start following the indexes and stuff like that, then you will know. So will your stocks be performing well this week? Yes, they're supposed to be. We looked at Nasdaq. If you have stocks inside of that sector, inside of that index, then those stocks, they possibly may be performing well. Yes or no? Who knows? Maybe your fucking CEO is Elon Musk or something. You know what I'm saying? He smokes weed on camera and everybody gets mad. But nah, let's get it. Money on waves. Let's run that.
Yeah. Trade gang shit go tempo. Trade gang shit go tempo.
To be honest, see, if I'm doing gold, I feel like I need to do Forex trader, bro. Just because it's gold on the rise. Hey, 10 lots, 50 lots, gon' slide, nigga, trade. Like, I just feel like that's that one, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and play that. I'm gonna play Forex trader. And I mean, I don't know who's completed the Forex trader challenge. You know, but hey, shit, hopefully we'll see if you complete it next week. But right now I'm about to go ahead and bang that bitch extra loud, and we got to move to this gold.
You already know who I am. Yo, all the trade niggas to the left, all the trade bitches to the right. Take your motherfucking phones out, cause we're about to get it cracking in this bitch. What's happening? Oh yeah. What? Trade. Run that shit up. Cost money, busting the numbers. Trade. Gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide.
Hey, middle fingers in the chat right now. Middle fingers in the chat right now, nigga. Fuck your ops. Fuck your haters. Let's get it cracking.
Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade. What's the runs now? Still in German 30 on the bus down. Trade. Yeah, it's hitting, huh?
Yeah, it's hitting, huh?
Sitting on the touchdown. Index funds running, so what's up now?
Run 'em.
XPS 500, keep the truck loud. Trade. Talk my shit, yeah. Keep it on demand, price in, price hit. You better have a plan, my alerts don't miss. Trade it with the trend, get the bands on flip. Trade it with the trend, double up on the lick. ETF cheek, long-term dividends. Trade. Money on waves. Keep the black tens, cause the nigga don't play. Keep the sticky hot off the rip every day. Smashing in the lane, get the fuck out my way. Trade. Run that shit up. House money, busting the numbers. Trade. Gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade. Fucking it up. Buck it up, buck it up, buck it up. Trade gang shit, gon' lock for a dub. Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade. What's the dealio?
No force course, niggas, what you really on?
You just copy all my videos. We know your whole gear, that's why we in control. Trade. Mask up, black mask shit, shit, go dumb. Big 40 bucks, make them shit when
Make them shit, nigga.
Pay out, or we coming for the funds. Trade. So you think I'm on one? We in the money game, trying to snatch at your plugs. Brokers on flex like they got it, so what? Big reps on flex like we mobbing, what's up? Seals on stilts like the rockin' them drums. Battles of the families, family gets up. Move out the shadows to the front of the bus. Move out the race of elite to the trust. Trade. Run that shit up. House money, busting the numbers. Trade. Gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade. Fucking it up. Buck it up, buck it up, buck it up. Trade gang shit, gon' lock for a dub. Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade. Run that shit up.
Let's go.
House money, busting
Hey, turn up in the motherfucking chat. Middle finger to the chat. What's up? I need y'all on that energy. I need y'all on that Rolls Royce energy. Speaking of Rolls Royce energy, man, I need y'all to fuck it up one time. What's gonna be dope about the Trade Gang shows is like we really do this shit, bro. Like we really grew into music. We really grew into culture. I feel like like the reason IML is trying to hire all the rappers is because what we've been doing. You know, Christopher Terry, like I say, he's non-creative. So he went to go hire people that look like me so he could try to get that same, he wanted the same effect. You know, it's kind of like when CT Fletcher came out and you're like, who's CT Fletcher? He's bodybuilder. When CT Fletcher came out and was doing this thing, a lot of people who didn't look like him wanted that whole authentic shit. Like the thing that made CT was raw. He was, yeah, motherfucker. That was like, and the thing is you can't kind of recreate that. Like that's his personality. And you know, so many people, and you probably ask me, oh, why would you even bring that up? This is because on the back end on some of his stuff, I worked in marketing. So it's like there used to be people and brands, right? There used to be people and brands that will come to our brand. You know, I worked with Shrimp Project for about 2 or 3 years. I would come to the brand and they would be like, "Oh, could you make me look like this? Can you make me look like this guy? Can you do a video like this?" Like a lot of people wanted to recreate the videos that were already done because like they're chasing YouTube views. So they're just trying to recreate the shit. But the people who got the most respect were the OGs and originals that actually went out there and did what it is that, you know, people are trying to recreate. So look, we got gold on the rise, right? It's currently on a spinning top. All right, it's been bullish and it's been on a bull rush since, okay? So here's that first little demand zone and actually broke out of that demand zone and got cracking. So this was the beginning of the week, 1960, was that 1960 something? All right, the beginning of the week was actually the beginning of the monthly candlesticks. So if you guys go back to the previous live, then you would have already knew that shit, look, it was already a big ass bullish engulfing on gold. So the first week of August, that's why it did so much. That's why it really went off and got cracking. So now you're probably like, well, what's going on now? So gold has already came down and retested, right? It was 2015, or right here it says 2013. Okay, well, no, it was 2015. That was a low. So it already came down and retested that 2015, which is this. So this was a previous demand. All right, so this in a sense will be the new demand area right here. Boom. Unless of course it breaks lower, okay? But I don't feel like gold is gonna come down, shit, especially with this COVID-19 shit and people losing their jobs. And then you got DXY crashing. So then when you see the DXY crashing, it looks like, oh shit, man, I need to, you know, really turn up and really start securing my money in gold. Now, why would investors run to gold? Let's explain that really quick. Share the feed too, share the feed, share the feed, share the feed, share the feed. So why would investors run to gold? What's so amazing about gold that these guys need to feel the need to, oh shit, I need to go and invest in gold? So we could do a little history lesson. There used to be a system, right? Before the foreign exchange, before all of this stuff, there used to be a system, and that system was the gold standard system. All right, so in that gold standard system, even before banking, okay, even before banking, that gold standard system really, like, the thing was people didn't want to have to carry coins and shit around. It made it hard. That's why they went to paper. But the whole gold standard system was just, it was a very strong system because it was backed by gold, a very powerful commodity. I would say at that time, but shit, it's still a powerful commodity. Okay, so before, well, what's cool about the gold standard system is right after that, that's when like the actual paper money and banking actually came along. So what was cool about that was the banks, once you put gold in the banks, they were to give you back paper note and hold your gold bullion inside of the banks and give you or issue you a paper note. On the note, it would say that it was backed by gold on the dollar. So on the dollar, it said that it was backed by gold. You know what I mean? So it just to let you know that it was that much more frozen just to let you, because I read frozen pineapples just to let you know that it was that much more powerful, and you could really trust it. And then, you know, the gold, it's not gold standard anymore. You know, the feds moved the gold and everything else, you know, and it's a whole story on that as well, you know. And I feel like you definitely should get it cracking. You said, will the newly signed stimulus package affect the direction of the dollar and gold? And to be honest, shit, there's been stimulus packages going out and it hasn't affected it yet. It hasn't affected it yet. Shit, non-farm payrolls barely affected like the currency pairs like GU and shit like that, you know, on a little bad data. You know what I mean? Or I think the data was good. I don't even remember. Shit, I gotta go back and look at the fucking data to see exactly what the number was, but that's why we got a little bit of pullback on that Friday. All right, so boom, here's gold in that demand zone. It's already smacked 2015. So could it come back one more time? There's a strong possibility, but gold is on an uptrend. So this is what I'm looking at. So if price did boom, right? This was this leg right here. So boom, that's that first leg, bam, right? Second leg was this, boom. It didn't really do nothing. It kind of just wicked out. So second leg, boom, kind of just wicked out, right? Third leg, boom, created a new high, bam. All right, so that's where we're at, right? That's where we're at. Let me go ahead and pull this back a little bit. Pull it back about like right there, bang. All right, now we're here, boom. So now here's where we're at, right? In this area right here, on this uptrend. So does anybody know how uptrend works, right? Does anybody know how uptrend works? Shit, an uptrend is simple. You got higher highs and higher lows. So if we hit a high ass price, right? This was Friday. So this red candlestick is Friday. We hit a high price on Friday. Fucking price dropped. They hit like 2070. It was at 2075 on Friday, and then dropped from 2075 all the way down to 2015. So gold moved fucking $60 in one day. $60 in one day. You feel me? Just recklessness. Like recklessness, although it gave people who weren't in an opportunity and a chance to possibly buy in at a low price. So those who were able to get in around 1520, 1516, 15, I'm saying my dumb ass, 2015, 2016, 2017, around those areas and stuff like that, then shit, those are great trades. You should be able to hold those long. Some people were able to get in around that 1800 area, you know what I'm saying, weeks ago. Okay, so now really we're at this higher low. Could we keep pulling back? I'm not sure that it's going to keep pulling back, for the simple fact that gold's on the rise, and if anything, it will wick between this area right here and create and pretty much do this again. You see where that demand zone is? So if anything, this will just create itself another demand zone and then range between 2070 and fucking 2036, and then all week just hit that little $20 to $30 range. Gold usually does like $20-$30 a day, you know what I mean, up and down. So that's what I'm seeing. But no cap though, I definitely see this bull run still running. If I just erase all of this, right, this is the daily, and then if I look more so weekly, this is what I'm looking at weekly. All right, so in a sense, on my weekly, right, it's looking a little bit different. My daily, I had a little bit of congestion, which I knew, but on my weekly, I want you guys to notice something. So there's this pattern, right? There's this pattern. I don't know what you guys call it in your world, but in our world, that is called three white soldiers. Hey, why do I always call three white soldiers three white crows? And then, I don't know, I always do that shit, you know what I'm saying? But nah, here's three white soldiers, right? So you got to ask yourself, what are three white soldiers, right? So all three white soldiers is signaling like, hey, the bull trend will continue. Now, when you see a setup like this on a 5 minute or something like that, you usually just buy. When you see it on a 15 on the hour, you're like, oh hell yeah, bro, it's about to get cracking. You usually just buy. You see the three white soldier, you usually just buy. So prices already came down and retested and stuff like that. It came down to retest that 2015 area with gold. So hey, now gold is in that 2000 area. Will we get back into the 1900s? I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't feel like it's gonna come back to 19 when gold is extremely high and it could keep pushing. Then you got Bitcoin going up as well. So people are looking. So let me break this down, right? So you have millennial investors inside of the game. Appreciate the dono, Greg Smith, the real Greg Smith. Appreciate you guys. You guys have really been going crazy, man. And yeah, appreciate you, man. Definitely stream the Spotify, you stream the Apples, stream YouTube, like stream everything. You guys have been running the streams up. What'll make it easier is like you just subscribe to my music page and start pressing play. You will make more money listening to my music than you would listening to all the other music on the radio. No cap. Shit, you've been listening to me for weeks, nigga. You've been stuff in your pocket. So just think about it. Like imagine if you put the music in your ear, you'll make even more. But then you have to really think. You be like, damn, bro ain't capping. Like I really have been eating from bro for a long time. And see, I put more work and more stats and more stuff into the music than I do into these videos. So I got the Forex Trader music video coming out. Man, that shit is loaded with artifacts. Literally, I do a lot of like, I'm not gonna really say it, but you guys should definitely go look at all the stuff that we put in there. You know what I mean? It's a lot of little tips and tricks and images and stuff that if you pick it up, then it's for you. And if you don't, then fuck it wasn't for you. You know, let me see where your third eye is at. But definitely we there. And if you guys have noticed, you know, it's been cracking. So if you haven't already, man, if you haven't already, shit, go to the Trade Gang website and check it out. Let me know in the chat what you guys feel about the website. I just want to know your feedback. All right. I want to know your feedback. Definitely want to know your feedback on that site, but let's get it. So I definitely feel like gold is going to continue pushing up just for the simple fact we got three white soldiers. We've already retested last week. We retested 2015 last week, and that was a key prominent point. 2015, it's almost already went back to the 1900s. Okay, so we retested that point already, and it's done. So could we get one more retest? It's a possibility, but this is a fucking bull trend. This is a bull trend. I only see up from here. If gold was a company, right, and you were to show me the company reports, and you would be like, yo, here's the statistics. This is how you would show me their company report, right? You'd be like, yo, man, this company, this is how you look at it too, right? I'm no bullshit. You look at it, you be like, yo, this company has been performing well. I'll look at it and see this chart like this. I'll be like, okay, back in 2011, they were kind of trash, but I see they've been getting it together. From 2013 to 2016, it looked like that company was dropping, but shit, from 2016 all the way up to 2020, it's been doing good for the last 4 years. And that's how I'm gonna read it. So I'm like, damn, for the last 4 years, we've been doing great. We've been doing good. Okay, so then I'll switch to the monthly, right? And be like, shit, well, if this is the monthly, where do you feel like this company is gonna go? Well, it's simple. To the fucking moon. You feel me? So go to the moon, baby. Let's get it. Could we come back and retest at 18? It's a possibility that the trend could bend, right? It could bend. Come back and retest this 18 point and then continue, and then come back and test this, boom, and then continue and do big drops like that. But the way it's looking, it's like gold is on the rise. I don't feel like that's gonna happen anytime soon. And shit, let's get it. Let's get it. Let me go to motherfucking let's get it. Boom. So here we are right here. Hey, my manufacturer for the shirt just hit me up. Bro said he was watching this the other night. Yo, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. I don't know if bro watching right now, but definitely appreciate you, man. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Look, people be tapping in. That's why I fuck with y'all. That's why I rock with y'all. You feel me? Somebody said the hoodies, the prices, shit, bro. Y'all get on here, no cap. The reason I made the prices like that is because 1 is Forex. 2, I know the value of the brand and I know where I'm taking it. So I don't really give a fuck about none of that. I know where I'm taking it. I know that if you do hold that hoodie, if you do hold any of the items when it does reach StockX or something like that, you get it for whatever price you get it for now. But when you sell it back, see, I'm turning you into hustlers. Like, I'm turning you into hustlers at the end of the day. All right. But nah, it's a lot of people, man. I checked the Forex funded shit on the Discord. Niggas be making big bandos, bro. I ain't trying to hear that. Niggas, yo, Ty, I turned 500 into 9,000 this week, bro. Go buy a hoodie, nigga. Let's get it. So we already did gold. You feel me? Let's get it. We did US 30, gold, Nasdaq, SPX 5. We actually looked at the SpongeBob pattern. We did, now we gotta do GU. So let's go look at GU now. All right. So this was, okay, so this is when I marked it up on Twitch. All right, so let me go ahead and go to the daily. All right, so you see I do my little top down. So this is what I have marked up on Twitch. So these little candlesticks right here, all right, you see this little area right here where it's like, where I just took that little line from. So on that line, right, you said one trade, but you a sweater. Facts. What up, Rob? Hey, I played that new shit too, bro. I played the new shit too. You feel me? I played that new shit. Where were you 6 years ago, Ty? Shit, on my hustle, grinding, shit, in and out of movie sets, shit, working with everybody, working with all the popular influencers and shit, you know what I mean? And you know, it's funny, it's like, shit, at first I always wanted the fans and the following. I'm like, yo, I seen 1 million. I'm like, yo, but then like, shit, you ever met a motherfucker with 1 million fans who didn't have a Lamborghini? It really, it messes your whole mindset up. You're like, bro, fuck the fans. Not like that. Like, I appreciate it. You guys trade game, y'all family. You know what I mean? But I'm talking about fans, like a nigga who just click on your page and like your shit for no reason. You feel me? Like, I'm talking about, I wanted to build a dedicated base, a strong family. You know what I'm saying? Of people who really rock with us, who really rock with the vibe. I got to get a new one of these too. This shit flimsy as hell. Every time I smack it, it fall. But a dedicated family that really rock with the vibe. So I know you're probably like, yo, all this shit's all over the place. But hey, so we're going to break this down. The same type of thing, right? So last week on the Twitch, this was the first leg of this bull run. All right. Then it got into this little consolidation area right here. So I'll remove this, because this was on my weekly. All right. Then I had price already hitting right here. We were speaking on Twitch on how this was a resistance zone or a supply zone. Boom. All right. So that's what we're looking at now. Matter of fact, go ahead and delete this for you guys too. And then we'll get to the other currencies as well. You know, you probably like, damn, bro. But nah, I'm really giving you guys the shit though. I'll do silver too. Silver should really move just like gold. You feel me? Silver should move just like gold. He said, once the hoodies hit MetaTrader X, it's a wrap. Hey, Vince, stupid. Vince 01. He said, I tried going Hollywood too once his influencers and photo shoots to get you on. Bro, I'm gonna tell you the truth, bro. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Like, I need first I need you guys who are live and watching me to smack that like button. Smack the like button right now before I move on. We need to get those likes up. Where are likes up right now? We need to get those likes up to at least 700 plus. Let's get those likes to like 700 plus. Let's get it. All right, so boom. So you already know how uptrend go. We broke it down on Nasdaq, and now I'm gonna put these little things over here to break it down. So during the week, we didn't really get the moves that we wanted in GU. Some people got like, some people are trading this, but for me, I like when the market is moving. For me, this is consolidation. All right, when the market is sideways, this is a sideways market. So let's zoom in on that. All right, let's zoom in on that. You see, this is a sideways market. What a sideways market means is that nothing is happening. Every single day, the shit is wicking off and it's dojis. All you see is dojis. So you're like, is it a bull run? Is it a bear run? It's the consolidation phase or the accumulation phase to the next either bull run up. We seen Nasdaq, we seen us 30. All of that shit looks like it's about to move to the top side. So if GU, right? If GU is bullish, okay. And this was, appreciate you guys going to the store and shit too, man. Smash that like button. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, appreciate all you showing love. Those hoodies will be out of stock soon. So if you haven't grabbed one already, you definitely want to go over there and make it happen. You feel me? If not now, then shit. Hey, y'all gonna be hot when you see them motherfuckers hitting for 2,500 on StockX. You like, damn, why would the price be like that? Well, so let me explain, right? And usually people don't tell you their plans and stuff like that, but we're already in motion. It's already been happening. So outside of this whole Forex shit, like, I'm an artist. So in a sense, like, you know, the artist effect. It's the same reason Christopher Terry is trying to buy up Black Influence, Black China, Sauce Walker, YG. It's the same reason he's trying to buy the Black Influence, but we already have it. You know what I mean? So up until this point, I've been making shit. I've been making you guys money. So you've been not only, let me tell you, the funny part about this is you've been working with the artists, making money with the artists, building with the artists, learning how to brand yourself, learning how to build your financial accounts, you've been learning all of this shit with the artists. Like, up until this point, you probably know every one of my motherfucking songs from Nasdaq to Money on Waves. You know what I mean? So when we do fill the shows, it's a whole different vibe. It's a whole, like, we're partying with the bankers and shit. Like, it's gonna be ratchet. Them niggas try to get ratchet too, man. You know how many banker friends I know who slam down yak? You know, yak is cognac. Cognac is darker brown liquor. You know what I'm saying? But slam down liquor and stuff after we get it cracking. You know what I mean? So let's get it. So boom, accumulation phase on GU. That's where we're at. So it's like this. If the bottom part, right, is a strong support, meaning price hasn't broke through this area, and you're like, what are you talking about, Ty? I can go ahead and put this little green line right here. You see how price hasn't necessarily broke through. In a sense, these last three, I'm gonna show you right here. This last three, you'll probably be like, yo, that's an evening star. And yo, it looks like it. But I looked at the indexes. I'm looking at price not necessarily busting through this area, and I'm looking at price holding at that 1.30 area. So some people trade the 552, the 662, shit like that. I'm trading the dollar and a cent, 132, 131, 134. Like, I'm looking at it like that. So I'm seeing this at the $1.30 area, 130. This is 130. You know, that's the exchange rate. So you probably like, what is the foreign exchange? What's the foreign exchange? You know, this the exchange rate. That's the exchange rate. So I'm feeling like it's gonna stay right here. If we bust underneath, okay, it'll have to show us and it would come down to 127. I just don't feel like price is gonna come down to 127, especially after looking at Nasdaq, looking at US 30, looking at SPX 500, and really seeing how strong that run is. I just don't see it. Although in DXY, right, dollar index, I'll go over the dollar index and I'll show you guys what I see over there as well. But I feel like price is gonna hold this 130 like it's been holding this 130. Every time it gets into this area, it kind of shoots to the bottom and then gets rejected again. So it's like the whole basketball example, dribbling down the court, motherfucker put up the shot. LeBron James comes literally from the half court. Bro's like Superman. Bro comes from half court all the way to the 3-point line in the air, big ass hand, and just smacks the ball right away. You know what I'm saying? Now you're sitting there looking big goofy. So that's all that big goofy. I need to have a big goofy sound effect. You know what I'm saying? That'd be funny. I did have a big goofy sound effect. That'd be too funny. But yo, so we got price rejecting right here. So now Sunday we'll have to see, will price hold this 130 area, or we'll try to push to the downside again. Right now it's at 130, 522. So Sunday open, it probably come down to like 132.50, 130, or it could come all the way down to the 130 and level all the way out. But once it gets in that area, I already pretty much see what it is. This is where we're at right here. All right. So you see this little structure, that's the structure we're on right now. So in a sense, we're at this little this second red leg on the structure right now. And the next part up is the push. So let's see if we'll get that push next week. All right, let's see if we get that push next week. It's a possibility we could be strong bullish. All right, let's see if we can get that push, and if it completes on out. I know this is the accumulation right here, so in a sense that's that area right here, and then we should be going up to that top side and getting cracking. So the next point I have for GU is over here at 133, and I've been saying 133 for the longest. 133, but I don't know if it's gonna give us that just yet. All right, but definitely we should get up there. All right, so boom, let's delete this. Let's delete this. Then we'll move over to AU, and after the rest of these, I'm about to move a lot faster, especially through Australian dollar and shit like that. We're gonna move so much faster. I just wonder, like, I really wanted to go in on those indexes and really break those shits down, man, just because that's just what it is. You feel me? We say y'all going if on capital, man. help everybody got a blunt with the market open. Facts, bro. It's gonna get it cracking. He said my oil change, bro. My oil change be like 600-700, bro. Them niggas be taxing for no reason. And that's the thing, they be taxing for no reason. You feel me? Like just dumb, goofy shit, bro. Like it's fucking ridiculous, bro. Well, no, I think last time it was like that because I needed a timing belt. That's what it is. Gotta be driving, bro. So you know what I mean. Yo, what up? What up? What up? What up? Trey, run that shit up. House money, busting the numbers. Trey, hey, go on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, gon' slot, nigga. Trey. That's what I'm saying. See, that's what that boy Christopher Terry want. He want all that juice. But it's me, bro. I'm the CEO. Like, and you can't make me move, nigga. I won't submit, bitch. You ain't my motherfucking master. Let's get it. Bro, learn how to change your own oil. I'm not about to change no oil on the roads, bro. You got me fucked up. That's what I'm paying for. The convenience of not having to. But let's get over to AU now. All right. Australian dollar, USD. All right, so I'm these next pairs, I'm just rushing through. Boom. You're already on track. You should already pretty much be on track and know what it is, man. So we're gonna do the quick markups. All right, that's the daily on that. And like I said, I did see that little evening star on that one joint. Could the market keep pulling down? It could possibly come down to 170 as a retest and then continue moving to the top side. All right. This was just Friday. That's the only reason it looked ugly. Shit, Friday was an ugly day for currency market. You know, for indexes, I can't say the same, but it was a very ugly day for these currencies. They're trying to hold it together. I'll show you DXY and show you that DXY got some power. So the dollar index got some power. So that's why you seen that little drop. Could it continue? It could possibly continue to the 70 area. All right. Although I am a bull, so for me, I will have to wait for it to get to my demand or show me some green so I can get back on track. Because when I look at this, I still see green. You feel me? Could it break this line? Could it break my trend? It's a possibility that it could break my trend, but it will have to. So right now, it's just sitting at the bottom of here. So in a sense, this is where it's at, right? I'm gonna show you. All right, so right now, market is in a sense sitting like right here. All right, so you already know how these little trend lines work and stuff like that. You're like, yo, show us this again. So this is where the market is sitting on this little green shit, pretty much in this area right here. Now, usually when it gets to these areas, if it doesn't break through, it just banks off and continues to the upside. So we'll see if it actually fucking comes down to this 70 area. Right now, it's at 71 cents. Okay, so that's the exchange rate, 71 cents. But would it come down to 70 cents? Okay, hit 70 cents and then pretty much take back off. That's when you have to look at the weekly. So now, boom, I always see a drop before a rise just because I know how it goes. We got fucking spinning tops on the weekly. We had pretty much, we've been bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of bulls. Can it continue? I will have to check out the monthly. All right, this is where we're at for the month. All right, so this is the new month right here. This candlestick that this is right here, where this shit is like a wick, a doji. This is a new month. So this is the new candlestick month that we're on right here. This little doji right here. All right, I'm about to start doing. Somebody said I should start doing Market Mondays. I've seen a lot of, like I said, I've been seeing a lot of people try to compete with the shit, bro. But man, nigga, before you niggas can sell your shit, I will be live every day giving out 1,000 signals and having niggas eat across the entire marketplace on some real fuck you have a nice day shit. The thing is, niggas talk Black Wall Street. I really want y'all to be on that shit that you talk. Like, really get in line. What have you truly done from the community other than scam them out of their hard-earned money? You already knew they wasn't eating. You knew that. And then you go over there and try to tax them. You know what I mean? So we not the same type of people. I didn't make it off of Forex courses, bro. You feel me? So a lot of people, man, a lot of y'all success, if any, came from the sales of people who just didn't know that you were really a fucking lie and a fraud. So you ask me who I respect in this game, myself, and then all the other larger investors like Paul Tudor Jones, Buffett, motherfucking, damn, and see how I couldn't even get the rest out my tongue because that's the only people I really fuck with. Benjamin Graham. Another Forex trader though is this nigga Roger, bro. Bro be killing shit too. Live every day. Bro be shitting on these little niggas, bro. That's why I fuck with bro. You feel me? Bro be talking his shit and just getting off. Like, and that's how you back your shit up. You know what I mean? Appreciate somebody just subscribed, so appreciate the person who just subscribed as well. I'm gonna go ahead and draw. See, I'm about to go ahead and draw this resistance at this next point that I see. So 173 is the next resistance level that I see. Okay, we're looking at a monthly chart right now. So now we got to go to the weekly. And in a sense, we're almost there. We've been getting close. That last week got close as hell. It hit 72,455. So in a sense, it damn near got there. All right, and that's why you got that retest on Friday, because it pretty much already hit that high. So this is the weekly. All right. The next point that we will and need to hit is this fucking 73. There's also three white soldiers on the monthly. So I mean, it's just letting us know that we could continue holding, continue on and stuff like that. Some people, you got position traders who seen these low prices down here, they bought right here in this area and they're just holding. You ask them when the fuck they're cashing out, buy in May and go away. They'll probably be back next year, right? They'll be back next year because they're gonna try to eat. You see how some people are able to eat this entire year of decline right here. But that's, bro, this is constant weeks, constant months, you know what I mean, of just being able to hold your trades out. You guys, like I said, some people don't let their money work for them, but you'll have the opportunity. So could we get another retest? We've already got one retest. It's looking extremely red right now, extremely bearish, but I definitely feel like the pullback is coming. We have a very interesting spinning top after 2 bull pushes, which got rejected at the top side 2 times. So I definitely feel like we may go down to 70. Right now price is at 71 575. So I feel like price will come down to that 70 area, give newcomers a chance to buy into the ultimate uptrend, and then just be able to buy and keep moving like that. But make sure you guys, if you haven't already, share the feed, share the feed, share the feed. And if you haven't shared the feed already, then what you need to do is smash that like button. You feel me? If y'all into crypto, he said Jiffy not built like that. Ain't no cap, man. Nah, y'all the goats, man. Y'all the goats. Y'all the goats. I rock with y'all though. I rock with y'all, man. I rock with y'all. And then you said Ocean Sky. Like I said, I don't know bro whole situation. That's why I can't really necessarily comment on it, because all the times I used to watch bro was helping out multiple people for free, and I'm not in no defense of Riza and anything, because that's not my business. But like I said, every time I watched that dude, he was helping out thousands and thousands and thousands of people for free. Bro did that shit on Months on Edge for free. And then he opened up mentor tips. He let like 6 or 7 people come around him and live with him. Mind you, nigga, for months, bro was doing this shit for free, giving all these people free information. You feel me? But it, like, people don't respect that shit though. People don't respect it. Bro was helping them out, man, helping all them people make money. And then he opened up mentorships and wanted to charge them and all of that shit. And then after he opened up mentorships, that's when everybody said he scammed them. But I'm like, nigga, y'all ate off this man for 6 months straight though. And then he opened his program and tried to help you, and he's scammer, bro. But you've been eating off this nigga for months. But you know but that's people, and that's why they can't get ahead, because a lot of people aren't built for success. A lot of people want to be successful but aren't built for success. That's why they have to do other things that they're good at. It's nothing wrong with having a job if it's something you love. Go do what you love, man. Maybe the entrepreneurship shit ain't for you. Maybe you're good at what you're good at, like, and that's just what it is. You have to find something you're good at and love that shit. You feel me? All right, this AU. So now let's go over to GJ. How long have I been on here? I know I've been putting in work, man. We put in that time. We've been putting in that time. So let's get it, man. I definitely appreciate you guys rocking with me. I see you guys on Facebook too. You feel me? All over there on Facebook too. Rocking with me on Facebook too. And let's get it. Ty, do I think crypto is better than Forex? To be honest, I feel like in a sense they may be equal, but crypto offers a lot more that Forex doesn't. And the thing is, like, you can buy and hold your crypto. You know, you're spending crypto. Like, you can make money in Forex and then cash it out and then go spend it. But like, you can buy, like with Cash App, right? I gave you guys the Cash App flip, fucking months ago, when I told you how to do the whole double up the Bitcoin shit, where you buy Bitcoin on Cash App, right? And then you go trade Forex, and then You take the fork and then you flip it, and then you take the money that you flipped and withdraw it back to your Cash App, and then you just let it hold, and you let the price of Bitcoin just rise, and then when the price gets to a high level, then you cash it out to yourself, and then you would have doubled or tripled your money just because the value on the back end grew. And that's what I like about Bitcoin, you know. So even if you didn't catch that, then cool, you just have to pause this video and then rewatch it again. Like, what do you say about that whole Bitcoin flip shit? Like, but I mean, there's different ways to do your shit. So yeah. So let's get it. So we go into Euro USD. All right. Then we'll get into the other ones and stuff like that. Like today, I feel like today we really had a day where we really sat there and explained a lot of shit, man, and really broke it down. You know what I mean? So let's get it. So I'm about to turn on that hit that splash. You feel me? Let's get that shit cracking, and let's do it. And then also shout out to Rob Legacy too. Bro, hey, bro, man, bro been telling me, no cap, when I first heard this beat, I was like, I'm gonna write to it. And then I really started listening to him, like, hold on, this motherfucker's hitting. And then bro will text me like, bro, did you knock out the TikTok song? I'll be like, fuck it, I'm gonna get to it. And then I'll write a little bit, and then I'll be like, I don't like how that sound. Then I write a little bit more and be like, I don't like how that sound. Finally, we wrote the song, you feel me? Put this shit out, and a lot of people fuck with it, man. And people are like, yo, play that Forex dance shit, like, you know. And I feel like it's dope. But man, shout out to bro. That's who I got on the engineer right now. So if you're wondering why I sound like I sound, it's, you know, because I got bro doing my shit. You said, do I know about who? Most of these niggas who you see now are fucking IML knockoffs, bro. Like, they go to their program and then they start a program off of that. Like, bro, these people will never be loyal to shit. They'll never be respected in the foreign exchange or in the finance industry. When we look something up, it's like going to look up a company's past. And that's when you're like, oh, why you go, bro? I tell you all the time, go look up my past. I put all my shit out there. The thing is, as I was building on the way up, I knew that I would force people to go look at my shit. So I'm like, yo, you get a chance to direct your own life and write your own story. You feel me? You said, where do you get a hoodie like this? TradeGain.com. So that should answer your question, Bob Jim. That should answer your question, brother. Like I said, a lot of these guys, man, shit, that's where they came from. So they're rejects. Like, they're rejects from another brand, you know, because they didn't know how to get it out the mud. They didn't know how to get it off themselves. They had to use somebody else's shit. Me, I got out the mud, bro. I don't give a fuck. Like, I take pride in not having to be like you, nigga. It's like, that shit's amazing. Yo, Ty, how'd you make it? You're part of that shit? Nah, I'm not. Wait, what do you mean? How'd you do it? Bro, because I didn't need that. The system, you got to think, it's a bigger system at work here. The system wants you to believe, you feel me? The system wanted you to believe that, you said somebody started IML. Nigga, Christopher Terry started iMarkers Live, bro. What the fuck are you talking about? And that's what I'm talking about. You got these mentor niggas who say they made the company. Bro, they didn't make the company. Christopher Terry and his boys made the shit, created it, put his money in it, developed the process so you guys can go resell the instruments, okay? Stop playing with me. He said, let's collab and make a music video. Shit. Please. You said you're in there and successful? That's dope. That's what's up. How'd you like it? How you like that you weren't able to do that shit on your own? How you like that you had to be forced to sell all that shit, looking at scanners and taking niggas signals and shit? You feel me? I want you to grow a pair of nuts, nigga, get out here and get cracking with the big dogs. I want to fuck with the people who was like, nah, nigga, we got out there and put in the work. See, they'll be able to play this stuff in the same way they did Pac, right? See, when they did Pac, everybody went back to study bro shit. They wanted to know, oh, how do you know what he know? The difference between me and bro is, like, I am that educator. I put the shit out. Like, we got the shit. We got everything you can go back and research and look at. Nigga, I'm not funded by no other man. You know what I mean? Like, I'm self-funded, self-made, and that's why I be on my fuck you have a nice day shit, just for the simple fact that it's like, shit, bro. What you gonna tell me, nigga? I trade, for real, for real. I don't need to sell your little Forex mentorship shit or whatever the fuck they be on. So what you gonna tell me? Can't say I need you. Shit, look, You know what? When I be pulling up on people with the double R, right? Like sometimes I don't drive, sometimes I do. But when I do, niggas got two moods. Either pull out the phone and be like, you feel me? Or they go like this. Hey, my favorite shit though, when I pull up and somebody be like, cause I mean that shit hurt. You been lying on the internet telling everybody that you rich and you doing all of this shit, and then I pull up, nigga. I just reconfirm that it ain't what it is. But anyway, we on this daily, right? Here we are, consolidation area right here. Boom, we got a nice little daily range. Like I said, I'm about to blow through this shit fast. Cause really I'm trying to smoke now. Get cracking for the day and all of that. So boom, we're gonna put a price level there. Bang, that is 117. All right, and the high of this is, let's put another price level, 117 and 119. All right, so NFP, it got close to that 118, 119 area, and then it dropped to this 117 again. So now it's in that 117 range. So if this if this is a range, right, then wouldn't a range just be this right here? And this is in a sense what's going on. Price just bouncing off the top and bottoms just like AU. So this is where that price is right now on that range. So if you ever traded support and resistance, then you kind of already know that if price gets rejected or does not or cannot break through this area, right? If it gets rejected and cannot break through this area, then what does that mean? Price will end up going up. All right, so that's what we're looking at for Euro USD, and that's what it is like that. All niggas want to do is rank up. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Hey, ask any of them clowns, nigga, how that rank work in the club, bro. Like, do you have to pay more when you platinum 9,000 or less? Cause I know you'd come here and tell me that shit, bro. I'm automatic. Like, get the fuck out of here. You fucking, hey man, let them niggas stand outside. You can't get in. You feel me? But nah, they definitely see what we doing. They gonna, like I said, Terry be on all my lives trying to build. Bro wants a lot of black African Americans to build his company for him. But like I said, I want us to stand up and stop taking orders from our oppressors and stand up on our own 2 feet, nigga. So like I said, when YG ready to collab on the real shit, on this real Forex shit, tell that nigga tap in. You feel me? I'll give him some of that Nipsey Hustle game. Be like, bro, let me show you, man. Let me show you how to get this shit for real, bro. You said you need to get this shit like this. Let me show you how to really buzz down. I know them folks said they got you, but they got you for real, nigga. Got you and snatched your base from you, bro. You just willingly gave them the booty. Feel me? Oh shit. All right, so that's Euro USD. That's my markup on Euro USD, man. Let's get it.
This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that, get that. Direct deposit, pull that. Invest in double back, spin that.
We got our own dance, we got our own songs, we got our own fashion, our own culture. Hey, this Forex shit changing, baby. This Forex shit changing, baby. Ooh, baby, ooh. Let's get it though. Get it, try. Where my trade niggas at, man? In the comment section right now. I want to see who's active. Smash the motherfucking like button, smash the love button, and then go ahead and sound off and give me one of those try in the chat. All right, so we did AU, EU, GU. Now I'm about to go do, damn, we did Euro. Damn, we did a lot, huh? Damn, I'll do DXY for you. Fuck it. So here's dollar index on the weekly, right? Here's dollar index on the weekly. You've been seeing this shit tank. So this is the reason why GU has been going up. This is the reason why gold has been going up, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the dollar index on the weekly. So look, there's a double booty. Okay, you're like, what's a double booty? I'm about to show you. Some people call it a double bottom. I be calling it the double booty. You know what I'm saying? Look at all them trades in the comment section, man. Let's get it. Look at all them trades in that joint. Shit, them niggas gonna have to hire every influencer in the world to combat what we got going on. I'm gonna tell you the truth, nigga. They can hire Drake, nigga, and still not gonna combat what we got going on, for the simple fact that a lot of these guys aren't, like, they got accountants, nigga. I'm the hood accountant. I don't give a fuck. Stop telling me, oh, this guy joined. Nigga, who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? They got too. Tell them niggas get out here and do that shit, bro. All them niggas you talking about are all signed to record labels. Every single one of them, right? Most of them do not own their masters. Yes or no? Cool. Like I said, there's a lot you need to learn about the entertainment business, man, and how a lot of this ass gets passed around, you know. But the reason I got involved with Forex is so my ass wouldn't get passed around like those asses. You feel me? So big wide booty hoes, wide booty hole having. greasy booty hole having. Matter of fact, ain't one of them fucking Forex mentors. Matter of fact, what was that one mentor? Hey, in the chat, man, what was that one mentor who got exposed, bro? Had his girl playing in his butt or some shit? That shit was wild, bro. That's why I was like, y'all, that's why I stay away from the whole shit. It be on my own jet. You feel me? That's why we don't want no parts. No parts. No, sir. No, sir. All right, so look, so boom. So I feel like dollar index to get down to that 89 area. We're looking at a weekly. We're looking at the long term. A lot of you guys, you trade intraday. If you trade intraday, that's what's up. More power to you and the scalpers. You feel me? And not saying that there ain't no dope scalpers out here. It just, I love my long-term shit. I like being stress-free dollars, stress-free dollars. You know what I mean? But look, so we got DXY. This is dollar index looking like it's going to continue to the downside. But when you look at the daily, right? You got this double booty, or in a sense, like it may be bullish divergence, possibly off the downside, possibly. I've seen it set up in GU and it had got cracking. So it's a strong possibility that, yeah, it could go ahead and reset and the dollar could get stronger. You feel me? Hey, y'all in the chat going wild, bro. Y'all are in the chat going wild. Damn. See, that's what I'm talking about. That Trade Gang shit, y'all. I want you guys to be a strong organization where you are not swayed by the fake shit. Somebody should be like, yeah, bro, this is you. Trade Gang is the organization that double look everything. You be like, yeah, bro, the sky is orange. Sky is orange. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? Right now it's blue. Man, you gotta watch you. You gotta watch you. You one of them snake oil salesmen. You feel me? Like I said, man. He said, Ty, you fake because you was texting him saying he was cool. Nigga, who the fuck was I texting saying they were cool, bro? Shit. And to be honest, you some random in the chat. Let me tell you how much I give a fuck about you calling me fake. Matter of fact, when I pull up on niggas, right, and drop my top, right, they be looking at me all kinds of ways. But I got my shades on usually, and I just truly don't give a fuck. So the difference about me and you is you care and I don't. Man said that with the straightest face. With the straightest face. Let's get it though. So this is my DXY. I feel like, hey, we got a little slight double booty here. Could dollar get up to 95? It's a strong possibility. Like, it's a strong possibility. I know it's a strong possibility. Now, I'm not saying, okay, it's gonna reach, you know, anytime soon, but it's looking like it could possibly get there. It's just because it's been dropping so much and it's gonna try to recover. It's the fucking dollar index. What do you expect? You know what I mean? What do you expect? Although, look, on the weekly, that's what we're looking like. All right, so it's dropping. On the fucking monthly, right? This is what we're looking like on a month. So we had not really 3 months, but this previous month was engulfing, or a strong push to the downside where the dollar index was crashing. It's the reason gold is going up as well. So if you're looking at gold to reach new highs, then what would the market have to do, or what will have to drop or rise, right? What would have to drop or rise so gold could make that move? So whatever needs to make that move can make that move, right? The dollar index will have to drop, or the dollar would have to drop so gold can go up. Shout out to everybody who's shopping on TradeGang.com right now too. I'm getting you guys' notifications and stuff too, so definitely appreciate you guys who are getting shit cracking. You know what I mean? If you haven't already, I'm gonna go ahead and post the site. Let's get it popping like that. And then shit, I feel like next week is gonna be fire. Like the first week is like, okay, we had some old stuff, some new stuff. It's like a kind of a mix. But next week, like, man, shit, I've been waiting to drop, but it's just like I know how to drop. You know what I mean? I studied the game. I've been studying these marketing. I've been around for a minute. You know what I mean? So definitely. So here's that joint right there. US CAD. All right, we go to US CAD. We do US CAD next. I've been looking at a lot of bears. So let's start looking at some of these. I mean, I've been looking at a lot of bulls. So let's start looking at these bears right now. All right. It's pretty dope. I like that people be putting their little analysis and stuff right there. You know, that's pretty dope. See you guys doing your thing. Everybody's still feeling like it's gonna sell off. I mean, it's been in a downtrend for the longest, you know what I mean? Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to First off, shout out to all you guys who are independent. Shout out to all you guys who are independent. Shout out to all you guys who are independent. Shout out to all you guys who know how to get out there and get it. Shout out to all you guys who know how to get out there and get it. Once again, shout out to all you guys who are independent, who ain't, nigga, who don't need nobody to get it cracking. And the thing is, you don't, bro. You gotta believe in yourself. Like, y'all feel like, oh, I need this person before I make a move. Oh, I need that person before I make a move. Bro, the difference with me is like, bro, I'm like, nigga, if you don't do it, I will. You feel me? So a lot of people, they were, oh man, bro, you don't, let me tell you, I probably went through so many fucking designers for this season 2 shit, bro. Man, I just had to get in there and get cracking myself. Like, I do Photoshop, I do video editing, I do pretty much a lot of that stuff. A lot of the visuals you see come from me. Like, I'm that type of guy. I don't have an editor editing my shit because I like full creative control. It's the beauty in it. Like, I love making shit do what it does. You know what I mean? So a lot of people, oh, I got an editor. I got to hire this guy. I got to hire that guy. Like, I love doing that shit though. I'm passionate about creating. That's the difference. I'm passionate about creating. Like, and that's how it's hard to beat me. I'm a creator, man. And while you sleep, I create. And if I don't make, then I take, nigga. Fortnite style. Easy call. So this little red dot right here, right? I think I marked this up on my NFP analysis or some shit. But I also had this fib drawn, and this is a monthly fib drawn on UCAD, right? So everything is bouncing off that 78.6, and you kind of got a pin bar for the month. Although that was just the first week of the month. I feel like we're still gonna get down to this 129 area eventually, just because that's gonna fill out this entire fib, right? But when we go to the week, that's what we're looking at. You got a pin bar in a week. So in a sense, we made shit push back up. Like, everything should be on this reset this week. Like last week, we have a lot of red showing like on AU and stuff like that. So AU, we feel like that should go down to 70. Right now it's at 71 cent, like 71.55 or something like that. So I feel like it's gonna go to 70 cent and then start the bulls. So just like this, we got a pin bar on a weekly. So I feel like it's gonna start, price will probably shoot up, like, I don't know, it could shoot up to like 35 or something like that. Price is at 133 right now. It shoots up to 35 and continue going back to the downside. Am I still selling? Yes, I still feel like, hey, we still need to keep pushing this shit to the downside. It's still on a what is this, a fucking bearish channel. All right, and you're just seeing a little bit of cut to the upside. So could trend reverse? And that's the thing, you have to ask yourself, could trend reverse? Yes, trend could reverse. Although if those fucking indexes start moving to the upside, CAD will fall. If Nasdaq starts taking off and makes a new high, CAD will fall. If US 30 starts taking off and starts moving to the upside, CAD will fall. The only reason these are showing green candlesticks is because when you go look at the indexes, those are showing red candlesticks. So I definitely feel like that market is going to go ahead, reverse, and get back on track to what it's supposed to be doing. The higher the Nasdaq goes, the lower the fucking UCAD is going to go. So as we looking at it, we see Nasdaq pushing. Okay, cool. So CAD should keep taking those L's and moving to the downside. All right, dollar index is being pounded right now. People are asking, oh, why is DXY being pounded right now? Shit, who knows? Dollar shit. We may even in a few years, maybe 5 to 10 years or beyond, we may strictly go to digital currency like the USA is literally trying to fill out right now. You feel me? They're trying to fill out how can they implement their digital currency? How can they tax it? Because I mean, it's the United States. This US. How can they tax it? Once they figure out how they can tax it, once they figure out how to get all that shit cracking, it's lit. You feel me? You deliver good content, but it gets lost in ramblings. Some people just need meat to the bone. Well, you know how you can stop the rambling and stop listening to me? You go click the X button and you log out, and that's how I end up off of your screen. It's so simple. But as of right now, I'm talking. And if you can, I think, well, other than that, we'll just be looking at this. But if you were running it, you'll probably just let this fucking market move. I don't know how you would do it, but hey, the thing is, you go do it your way and I'm gonna do it my way. And let me go ahead and add one of the sound effects for that shit. Stop fucking with me, bro. Honestly. Get your little bitch ass feelings off of here, bro. I know this shit got you in your feelings, bro. I will get under your skin. Get out your feelings. You and your feelings, but money don't got no room for you to be in your feelings. You be complaining about your boss, complaining about your wife, complaining about your life. I think you're a punk and you need to fucking do something about it and stop complaining. Other than that, shut up. Shut up and get to it. You're either gonna get money or you're not. You're either gonna work hard or you won't. You're either gonna live the life of your dreams or you won't. Either you're gonna do it or you're gonna complain about it. So pick a side. Are you a doer or a complainer? Or you got the third option. Some people are thinkers. They sit and think about it all day. Oh man, oh man. You feel me? Nigga, I get out here and get cracking. Get it.
Talk your shit.
Nah, I don't though.
Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit on that. Invest in, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Make it move and stash it. Invest in double bag. Never moving backwards. Forward all my plans. Lifestyle moving average. I'm all about my bands. Moving like a bakery. Beer coming in packs. Trade talk. Keep stay focused. I'ma eat no play bout. D's on the same route. Look, 16 easy route 3's on the lane bout. Curry let it ring. What you say about burgers on ring? Big teams on way now. Yeah, still push with big drop when I want. I keep smooth on the same route, bitch. It's fuck what you say. It's still fuck your courses. I'm straight to the bank. You gotta spend all your time on the phone 'cause you selling that shit that stay eating your day.
You gotta spend all your time on the phone because you sell all that shit that stay eating your day.
Me, I'm straight off the charts with the pussy. You're straight up the charts on the video game. Stay on your neck, gasoline on the flame. Never gon' stop, it's 100-year rain. Force the corona.
Never gonna stop. It's 100-year reign. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Let's get it.
Over the pain. Forex endeavors is all in my veins. Written in ink as I cruise through the lane. Unrock the power of minds over gains. Gains over times, man, I play over time. Stay over time, I'ma lead over grind. And lead with the dimes. Stay with the profits, I'm motion and vibes. Ocean and bloods, and I'll go with the lines. Stick to the bases, my nigga. Support and resistance, just facing my nigga. Learn to retrust, now you racing my nigga. That's on your face if you play with us, nigga. Give you the game, so get paid with us, nigga. You see the life as in cameras and pictures.
Give you the game, so get paid with us, nigga.
Run up the wealth and just run up the riches. Money and power, just run up the system. This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit on that. Invest in, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This, that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit on that. Invest in, double back, spin that.
Run it up fast. Wait, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it.
It's that part where you do your money dance. Turn that shit without time for the one time. What's up? BOG, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's good? What's good? What's good? This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit on that. Invest in, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This, that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit on that. Invest in, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So, hey, for these Sundays, man, look, not only do I want to inspire you guys to get on this chart and make it happen, but you got to understand, I did this shit independent. At the end of the day, no fucking help, no handouts, nigga. None of that shit that you niggas think, oh, he got, nigga, he didn't get shit. Bro, I had to get cracking. That's the thing. You feel me? And it's the reason why I move how I move, because it's like, I didn't sell Forex courses to get up. Nigga, I had to really get in the market and get cracking, nigga. So it's like, that's why my knowledge on this shit is so long. How does he understand that investment shit? How does he understand the indexes and the ETFs and all of that and REITs and REITs? That's a real estate investment trust, stuff like that. Like I said, man, you need to put the fucking work in. If this is the game that you want to be in, then you need to put the work in, because you got players like me who are voracious, who in this shit all day long. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's two sides of this game. To be honest, I love the stocks. I love all the stuff like that. But I know that I could build a company that could get inside of that joint too. So then it's like, shit, that's what I'm on right now. We about to build the shit to get inside of there. You like, well, what are you building on the back end? But don't worry about that. Just worry about trade game for right now. Feel me? But nah, he said, I bet you, I challenge you to find who's a better trader. The better trader is the guy with the most money, bro. So that's like Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, shit like that. People who like shit, in a sense, I feel like Jeff Bezos is a great investor as well. You know what I mean? So I definitely feel like Jeff Bezos is a great investor as well. You feel me? So let's get it. But nah, like, nigga, ain't no, look, and that's the thing, like, shit, you don't have to vibe with me, but you gotta understand that, like, it doesn't matter, bro. Like, okay, so what if you like, oh, I don't like Tyler? Does that stop me from waking up and doing what I wanna do? Does that stop me from getting on here and doing what I wanna do? No, don't bring your insecurities onto my live stream. Keep that shit inside of your motherfucking body, because we ain't trying to feel it. Let's get it. I still say you cat in the bearish channel. Expect price to try to retest the high one more time. So you got two bullish candlesticks right here. I feel like price gonna try to retest this area, which is like 134 right now. Price is at 133. Try to retest the high one more time before that downward trend continues. Although, once again, right? Once again, if Nasdaq goes up, if US 30 goes up, if S&P, the Standard & Poor's 500 goes up, okay, expect this pair to drop. That's just what it is. So trade what you see, okay? And then also, like I said, man, a lot of people, oh man, blah, 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 blah. Nigga, join me on Twitch, 8 to 10. We getting cracking 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, Monday through Friday. And that's all I gotta say. Let's go to US Swiss franc now. And then sometimes, like, it's jewels inside of my ramblings, you know what I'm saying? Like, imagine me getting onto another nigga live, right? And telling this nigga that he's rambling during live. Well, what if I sat here and didn't speak? Niggas would be like, bro's boring. You gotta have some type of personality to do this shit, bro. This is YouTube, this is Facebook, it's Twitch. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. That's why, you know, I be on my own shit. But boom, we do got a double booty on the bottom, all right? So we do got a double. You're like, what's a double butt, bro? All right, so this is what it is right here. Although I'm gonna show you something though. I'm gonna show you something. So you already know how this goes, and this is what this could possibly be. So you have your downtrend, right? You basically has to push back up and then drop again, and then that's your down. So could this be that first leg? Okay, first day completed. First leg complete. All right, this leg is complete. All right, now we're on this leg. I know I'm rambling, but hopefully you catch this shit. Now we're on this leg. All right, now we're on this leg. So put this, I'm gonna grab this and just bring this right here. And this is where we're at right now. Okay. The next part of this process, if this is going to continue the downtrend, is this right here. Boom. Okay. And then it starts again. Then it starts again with the whole retest. Then it'll drop again. That's how downtrends work. Okay, so if we're on this part, hey, and then I know we had some people who was on this bitch mad, you feel me, who was probably on here mad and disliked the stream. Beat they motherfucking ass, nigga. Mosh pit style, not mosh pit style, straight mosh pit style. Let's get it. What time frame am I on? This is the daily. So when I'm looking at shit, I'm looking at the daily. People want to know what type of investor I am. Swing trader and position trader. I used to love scalping, but it's just, I mean, you're gonna make much more shit when you're not stressed looking at your bread. Shit, you gotta ask yourself, do you want the spaceship or the yacht? Nigga, or do you want both? I want the spaceship and the yacht. You feel me? The spaceship and the motherfucking yacht. We're about to take off like a rocket ship. People been watching us build. You feel me? Like, my attitude though is because, like, you got to think too, so many people, bro, like before I was up, so many people didn't believe in me. I was working behind the scenes on everybody's project. I was like, I'm the behind the scenes guy that was working on everybody's project. All them niggas was in front of the cameras, billion followers and shit. Everybody was that nigga, everybody was that man. And then I came up, nigga, because my hustle was harder than theirs. So fuck your little, you had 1 million fans, but you're not doing the numbers that I'm doing in the market or in real life. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm on the shit I'm on now, because like y'all don't know where I came from. You don't know, like, bro, go look at the shit. I was behind the scene on everybody's set. I had to watch everybody eat before I ate. But the thing was, I was never on no jealous shit, and I always knew that if I stayed down, that I would have my time too. You feel me? Y'all niggas be, oh, he got this, so I can't. Like, the fuck out of here, bro. I stayed down, nigga, in the back. And I seen people doing shit. I'm just like, man, bro, if I was and I just knew, like, you know what? Fuck it. I'll just work this set. I'll work this camera. I'll work this little jit right here. I'll go ahead and do this little marketing shit. Like, but the thing is, the whole time I knew where I was going, and I'm getting there. You feel me? I'm still not where I want to be yet. But here we are in this Swiss franc, man. I marked up everything for you guys. Appreciate you guys who are still, appreciate you guys who are still rocking with me on this feed. Appreciate you guys who are still figuring out, just really looking at the market, taking all of this in. This is definitely still a downtrend. We have two, like I said, I showed you the little double booty right here. All right, you like, what's a double booty? It's little demand zone right here. All right, so could this fill and we possibly get cracking and end up going all the way back into trend reverse? It's a possibility. That's only the price reversing to 93 cents. Right now it's at 91. So it's a possibility it could go all the way here and then continue back doing what it's doing. But see, I'm not watching the currencies market as much as I'm watching these index markets. Okay, so when I'm looking at my index markets, I'm like, shit, well, I can see the bulls, I can see all of this. So after I go and look at my big shit, then I come fuck with this little small shit, and then like, okay, that's how we're moving, you know. But do I care about the little intraday stuff that's going on? I've been able, I feel like what's made me so successful, to be honest, is to be able to drown out the noise. And you're like, well, what do you mean? So I don't know if you watched any of my old my videos and stuff when I'm on set and I'm trading and stuff like that, but usually when I'm on set, there's so much shit going on. It's bells ringing, it's you got the directors yelling cut and cameras going off, the camera sounds, the lights don't sound, they just bright as shit. You got people in the back, you know, sometimes they don't be quiet on set, it be hella niggas around, just a lot of stuff going on, you know what I mean? So it's like, bro, it's just, how do you stay focused in an environment like that? You gotta know, you have to know your goals and your position, and you play that shit. Let's get to the next pair though, man. Call out something else and I'm gonna get up out of here. You feel me? I know we've been vibing, but let's get it cracking. I know we've been vibing, but let's get it cracking. You feel me? I got y'all. A song that I like though, to be honest, what's your favorite tyllionaire song? What's your favorite tyllionaire song? And then, hey, who likes the thumbnail for today's video? Who likes the thumbnails for today's video? Actually, I'll be roasting shit. You know what I'm saying? It was one of the traders where they use astrology to to figure out their positionings and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I just figured, I said, damn, well, if they can look at the moon and create an income, then fuck it, I'm gonna start looking at Jupiter too. So I was actually looking at, you know, the US, they were, what was that, Universal Studios about to send somebody to the moon or something like that, you know what I mean? I'm like, or to Mars or something like that. I'm like, oh man, you know, shit, if everybody's interested in Mars, then that gotta make me a bajillionaire, you know what I'm saying? Somebody said, Forex trader, please stop selling out. Ripple, you from Chicago. Y'all like Rose Ray energy. Life could be different. GJ, look, the reason I don't do GU and GJ, AJ and all that is because it's the same exact pair. I'm not gonna do a double markup. Like AJ moves the exact same way as GJ, not all the time. And what I mean is, like, sometimes GU would take off and then GJ would stay and they'd be waiting. And it's like, damn, bro, GJ, move. But then sometimes they take off at the same time, or sometimes GJ would take off and then GU would be waiting. But the thing is, they generally move in the same direction. So what you see on one thing, you can literally trade both the same way. A lot of you guys, you over leveraging your accounts and shit. So that's what's messing you up. You know, like, you got to really just play to your risk to reward and just scale your shit up. Okay. What days are the best for trading? Tuesday through, I really like Tuesday through Thursday. Some people like Sunday, Mondays, that's what's up, but I feel like everybody really moving and shit. Like Mondays are good days, but I feel like Tuesday through Thursdays are good joints, you know? Shout out to all you guys on this joint too, you know? Make sure you hit that website, And then I don't know who's on our email list, but I definitely will be emailing you guys some dope little freebies. So I mean, if you guys are on the email list, man, and you definitely in the jit, you feel me? You just have to figure out. You got to figure out what it is that you know, what it is that you want to do. But we got you. Call out a pair. I'm gonna mark up my last few pairs right now. Let's get it. I'll go to Bitcoin right now.
Inside the market, lead a broker looking ugly. Hey, my grandma always told me I should always keep a snubby. Never ever keep your money where they
smash that like button.
10 trades at the same damn time. Fuck the rubbish, bitch.
Smash that like button. Let's get it. TradeGain.com. That's how you get on the email list. TradeGain.com. That's how you get on the email list.
Like we jumping off the porch, but we really in the stocks, that's why it's trade or die for sure. Trade gang got it poppin', lead the broker at the door. Clean them out and drop the systematic pressure off these forces. Leave the engines on smash, block, loud for on the horses.
Hey,
do you think you belong? Either bears or the bulls. If you see
it said it in the song. Hey, do you think for the long? These are bears or the bulls. Either you see it and trade it, or you don't and you lose. Like, come on, bro, what the fuck? That's why y'all not where you want to be, because you listening to that fucking, who you listen to as an artist? Matter of fact, who you listen to? That's whoever you listen to got you fucked up, nigga. You say you put on that tie, you done found about REITs, you done found about index funds and ETFs, you done found out about Forex and how to invest your money and make it long. And I mean, you found out about marketing if you go down to, what is it? If it's not about a stock, you feel me? Like, look, bro, we got Let's Get Paid, where you talks about marketing and shit too. So, man, bro, can I buy a hoodie from Kenya? Yeah, you can.
and trade it, or you don't and you lose. I can do this shit in my sleep.
Every time I fucking put a Bitcoin, it don't ever go.
Living life on the wave. I'm just young in the pay. Keep the markets pumping, market make it jump when I say. Gotta flow like heavily made. I got the heavenly blade. Turn the gold like the mills running back in the day. During the rushing, it's the gold race. Better get you a plate. Take chances, living life for the edge of mystery lane. Hey, look, I got the game inside a headlock. Got it locked in the history bedrocks. If the world asks me to eat, she better leg lock. Taste the riches of success and tell me dead drop. Don't abuse my line, just contain files. I mean Ethereum nice, but it's volatile. Little obstacles and go ahead and ask the price. If you asking for the price, you probably not advice. This advice and words from the rise. Better off leaving when you see them streets lighting. Big banks cracking, big teams flocking, big planes I'm yachting, big trades popping, big chains coming, 18 will I move
Moving faster than a Lambo.
Big trains popping, big banks cracking, big teams flocking, big planes I'm yachting, big trades popping.
I got you. I'm gonna bang it in a second. I'm gonna play that motto in a second. Let's finish marking up Bitcoin. Shit, I'm gonna play that going off Bitcoin, matter of fact, too. If you haven't already, hit that sub button. If you haven't already, hit that like button. If you haven't already, go to TRADDEEE.com and grab your hoodie. Let's go. Hey, Bitcoin is supposed to be on the rise, you know. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bitcoin is supposed to be on the rise. So 12K is that same old target. 12K is that same old target. 12K is that same old target. All right. Now, what's cool about Bitcoin is I really love the way this thing moves. Now, shout out to Bryce too. Bryce been knocking that shit out. Bro been going crazy. I think bro's on the leaderboards of Binance right now. You know, so shout out to Bryce TV, man. Bro, that's somebody from Trade Gang. Bro been holding it down. You guys remember the interview, and you could catch him in the Discord going ham too. You feel me? But definitely, bro been going ham on his Bitcoin futures. So I won't be like, oh, I'm a Bitcoin future expert. Fuck that. Hey, nigga, you need to go and tap into the Trade Gang Discord. If you haven't already, somebody write in the chat or something like that. We already did go. You got to go back to the beginning of the stream. But look, so if you haven't already, what you need to do, right? Go tap into the Trade Gang Discord and really see what's good. So much information in there, man, especially in Forex info and stuff like that. But definitely, man, just get it cracking. So Bitcoin, yo, 12K is the target. Right now, it's a great low price. You may be able to find a opportunity to buy at a low price. You're probably like, why would you buy it now? It's red. Because you're looking at, I don't know what you're looking at, but I look at prices. So I'm looking at how the price is at 11,573. I know that price could get lower into like, you know, a little bit lower, which it did a few days ago, but like it's Sunday and it's been in this little consolidation range. All right. So you're like, what's the consolidation? So right here, this first thing, that's my target. All right. So this first structure right here, that's 12K. That's the target. This purple box, this is the target. First target, big target right here, 12K. We should be smacking that soon. All right. Right now, price is in consolidation. So that's this. I can delete it. And if you wanted me to, I could take this and go right here and just add this right here, right? A little support and resistance or some shit like that. And get it cracking like that. So that's the range, okay? So price just keeps bouncing off. I could take this and I'll drag it over a little bit more. Price just keeps bouncing off of this 11,800 area. So every time it gets to 11.8, people are shorting. Every time it gets to about 11.5, 11.4, people are buying because that's the low. So people are buying at 11.5 really because they're trying to load up for it to get to, what is this, 12K. I feel like Bitcoin may take one more drop, try to retest this low again right here. right in here. So I feel like it may try to come down here just to fuck people up, because like we're all playing the game. You know what I'm saying? You're all playing the game. You're all trying to figure out what the market wants to do and when to move, when to take positions. Me, I like hunting off low prices. What's up, Queen? How you doing? How you doing? Oh. All right. Here's the peaches. All right, let me finish this and then we can play. All right. So I feel like price is gonna retest this 11,300 area. It's a possibility. That's like 200 points away, right? Can it just edge off of this fucking 37 and push back up to 12? Yeah, but I feel like, hey, we might get one more push to the downside and then it go back up. Although it's a strong ass structure right here, so it may just try to hold this structure for the rest of the day until Bitcoin investors are able to buy and shit like that. Although if you go to Coinbase and stuff like this, it may be a great price because you're not really gonna lose too much crazy value or nothing like that. You know, you're like, he said 12,000, he said 11.5 is a great price on Coinbase. Like, bro, I told you guys the Bitcoin flip, man. Shit, I just feel like Bitcoin price is ranging. Oh, sorry, my bad. I don't know why I messed that up. I feel like Bitcoin price is ranging until the next breakout. All right, so that's why we got this little range right here until the next breakout. What's the name of the song? Okay, so that song was Forex Lifestyle. That was that song. You said 11.4, 11.2. Look for the bulls to step in. See, you guys know it. 3 stages of the market: consolidation, expansion, then breakout. My friends be asking who I watch for analysis. Hey man, appreciate you guys. Hey Queen, everybody saying hi, so you guys say hi. All right, hi. So say hi. 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 This right here, right there. So wave at that. Say hi. 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 Say how you guys doing. Say how you guys doing. Be like Trey. All right, I'll play with you in a sec, okay? All right, cool. Let's get it. You said you're long on Bitcoin with 10K. Hell yeah, keep getting it cracking. You shared this video. I learned so much about swing trading here. One thing through TradeGaang, alts are flying right now. No cap. Hey, they're going crazy. They go. You said 11.3 for 75. Yeah. So you guys, like I said, I really like that. See, it's like this. I feel like we built a very strong community of investors, creators, and entrepreneurs. What I mean is this: I love going into the Discord, right, and just linking with people and talking information. And it's so much information in there, man. You would literally pick up a lot by just being in there. You know what I mean? And then shout out to everybody who's been on the stream. I know I've been gassing for like an hour and a half. Usually, like I said, I try to get out here early, but I just felt like it was a lot of information that we had to cover today. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you go in a second, but I feel like there was a lot of information that we had to cover today. And yeah, you know, that's what it is. Let's get it, you know? So I'll look at silver before I get out of here. Hey Queenie, stop it please. What is this? Oh, a pen? Here's a piece of paper. All right, don't start marking on the walls and shit. We know you. Okay. Right there. Yes. Cause she get it cracking in the whole house. Shorty will run around with the markers and mark on all the walls, bro. I be, man, well not me, but shit, Shorty be cleaning everything. Cause she be like tired. And she marking on the wall again, like, Let's get it. What's the link for that trading community? Somebody drop it in there. Drop the link for them, bro. First off, right? Look at how fire this thumbnail is. I just keep looking at this thumbnail like, shit, this is a fire thumbnail, man. I'm about to pull up that joint right now. All right, I'm about to pull up the TradeGaang website. All right. So 5 hours. You guys got 5 hours before that special ends. 5 hours. If you haven't already, go do what you need to do. If you haven't already, go do what you need to do. You got 5 hours. All right, 5 hours. Here's the site, the new site. Once again, this shit will update. How do I get on the email list? Right here at the bottom where it says sign up for a newsletter. Boom. So hey, go to the bottom. All right. Make sure you sign up and stuff. I'll see you guys shit next week on this shit. You like, damn, that's how you ended it off? Nah, that's not how I'm gonna end it off though. But you got 5 hours, man. So make sure you go pick these joints up. I'm actually rocking that shit right now. You feel me? It's called the Pairs on Deck hoodie. It's like original OG Forex hoodie, Pairs on Deck. You feel me? So it got the pairs and shit at the bottom with the Forex on top. But definitely, I cannot wait to drop this week's update. Like, it's only a few items in now, but we still got to get to this market close shirt. Look, we got a lot of shit we still got to get to. You know what I mean? So we're growing. We'll be there. All right. But look, 5 hours, man. So TradeGaang.com. It's like 1,000 of you guys on there, man. So make sure you guys shit, make sure you go pick it up, bro, because it will be sold out. You probably like, oh man, but mind you, it's 1,000 people on this live watching right now, and they all know and just got the notification that it's going to be 5 hours left, you know, on this shit. So you got 5 hours, man. I don't know what you're doing, but you might want to go to TRADDEEE.com and get it cracking. You feel me? Got you. Like I said, on Friday, we're going to update the store. It's going to be so much more fire. All right. So I'm looking up silver right now, and then I'm going to give you guys this silver markup. Okay. I'm gonna give you the silver markup, and then I'm gonna get out of here for the day. I'm gonna play, matter of fact, I'm gonna let you guys choose the last song that we go out to. Now, you guys know my songs, man. You guys know my songs and stuff like that. You know my songs. So go ahead in the chat. Let me know what songs we should play. And then before we get out of here, I'll play the song. I'm gonna click on silver. We're gonna vibe out to the song. I'll mark up the silver, and we'll get it cracking. Somebody said they need an extra little tar. Well, hit me up, bro. Hit me up. I'll hit me up with your name and stuff, and then I'll make sure that we get that size for you. Okay. Trading in the mink coat. Okay, y'all like mink coat? That's what's up. That's what's up.
Why?
Hey, Queenie.
Whoa.
What's this? Go get the jelly. Damn, y'all are going crazy right now. In a mink coat, new wealth plan. Y'all really like that mink coat? Okay, cool. Money on waves, raising the stakes in a mink coat. Money on waves. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, y'all like that Forex trader? Yeah, that's the nigga who like that Forex trader. That's because bro hood as hell. Bro like that joint. Damn, y'all like that mink coat? We're gonna go out to mink coat then. We'll go out to mink coat. All I see is mink coat. Bless you. Bless you. That's her favorite song too. She be dancing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have her. I'm like the title of the video, right? I'll have baby dances to Forex trader Tyllionaire's in a mink coat song in front of Rolls Royce, and I'm gonna have her dancing to in a mink coat in front of the Rose. I think that'd be pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? She be like, that shit be tight. He said that's that OG. I'm gonna bring that mink coat in. We're gonna get up out of here. Appreciate all you guys, man, for tuning in with me. If you haven't already, I need you to do one thing too. Smash the like button. Make sure you go join our mailing list. Okay, make sure you go join our mailing list. And the last thing I need you to do, no cap, the last thing I need you to do, right? The last thing I need you to do, because a lot of you haven't smacked the like button just yet, all right, is do you see that music page right there? I need you to go ahead and go smack that music page for me. For the people who are on, it's like 1,000 of you guys on right now. Smack that music page. Let's see if we can get this music page up to 1,000 with the people on here right now. I'm gonna bang that mink coat, but I'm gonna post the music page one more time. Okay, post it one more time. I want to see if we can get it up to 1,000. Right now, that topic is at 980, so it's only need 20 more people. We only need 20 more people. All right, so it's at 980 right now. So like you see that 980 right there. So hey, man, soon let's see if we can get that up. I'm gonna refresh and see who's been clicking the link. We at 982, so we need shit. It's 1,000 plus people on here. We need y'all to run that joint up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I need y'all to really see what's cracking, man. I need y'all to see what's cracking. Let's good. Let's good. I'm about to refresh it one more time. Let me see who's really active right now. 987. Look at that. Look who's active. Come on, let's get that number up. 987. We need to get to that 1,000. 989. Let's get to that 1,000 real quick, and I'm gonna go over and get to silver. I'm gonna go over and get to silver. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Look at this. Hold on. Boom. 991. We almost there. 9 people left. 9 people left. 9 people left. 9 people left. Let's get it. I'll go ahead and post that shit one more time. I'll post it one more time in there for you. Post it in there one more time for you. All right, let me go ahead and put the topic right there. Boom, let's refresh one more time.
Wow.
1,000. Just reached 1,000 subs on the music channel. Appreciate everybody who's been listening to the crazy songs and stuff like that. But we just reached 1,000 subs on the music channel. I think that's something we could celebrate too. 1,000.1. Okay, well, let's get it. So, all right, what's up, Queenie? Well, let's go over here to silver. I had silver marked up for you guys already. I'm about to bang that in a mink coat, and we out of this bitch for the day.
And I make coke. And I make coke.
Let's go.
And I make coke. Trading and I make coke.
Hey, stop.
Young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls. Young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Ay. Voice too good every day and payday, wait day. Never on the way. That's just an S to the V to the J. Running around me, bitch, I stay with the J. Honey bring peace, bitch, I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max. I'm in the market, D with the packs, little bitch. my tempo. You can sit both, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hang a line in the market, it's a lynch, bro. We in the field with 2 scope with the big dress. And I mean, coke, trading and I mean, coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean, coke, trading and I mean, coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey yo, don't be stupid. Lane to lane swerving in a phantom, I'm ruthless. Rich nigga shit, I'm the owner, how you doing? Nvidia gon' pay his dividends from the movement. I need 10 million shares from the deal, I'm coolin'. The data in the market got a push from the student. This Untitled stock tips on my list for improvement. Every time I speak a stock, check the charts, I'ma do it. If I tell that bitch to jump, then it jump. If I get pissed, we all selling that junk.
Let's go. Hey, smash that like button before you guys get up out of here. My bearers left to grab your hoodie. My bearers left to grab your hoodie. Let's get it. In a mink coat. In a mink coat. Let's get it.
Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke. Ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke. Ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke. Ay, ay, ay. And I mean coke.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Oh shit. And then this song came on.
Stop loss, stop loss.
Hey, stop loss, trade with it, stop loss.
Stop loss, stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, trading with a stop loss.
We'll go out to that. 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 So, silver, right? Get over on silver before we get up out of here. Silver, before we get up out of here, man. Let's get it. Silver, silver, silver. So this is how it's gonna be, and this is how it's gonna go. First off, just like in gold, you see that pullback. Now silver has been pushing. The people who are in gold futures, the people who are in silver futures, they pretty much understand how everything works. They understand how everything goes. They understand the marketplace and stuff like that. And then for the I know I got my manufacturer on here too. I'm gonna tap in with you too, bro. I'm gonna text you back and we're gonna link. We'll talk about today and all that, man. Cause bro, when I went and linked with bro was like, what? I had the Forex shit on. He was like, I like that shit. Like, you feel me? So let's get it. But check it though. Check it. So the first stage of any uptrend or downtrend is the push. So right now, we're looking at the daily chart. I'm breaking it down. The reason I'm breaking it down like this is because I got some people who just log on and they don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. So it makes it so much easier. You know what I'm saying? It makes it so much easier when they could just hop on and I'll break it down again and do it like that. So this is the first push. So in a sense, this will be our first push right here. Boom. All right. The second phase was that accumulation or the consolidation. Boom. That's this red right here. Bang. Right. We've already left that. All right, so now we're on the second leg, boom, or the second push. In a sense, we've reached a new high. So then we have to go in the weekly and look left and see, well, where we're at. All right, so here we are right here. So we're pretty much at 139 or 139. We're pretty much price hit 29 last week. All right. Hey, so these last 3 weeks, very bullish weeks, right? Actually, price should continue. And you're like, well, what do you mean? Why should price continue? As gold goes up, the commodity sector will definitely continue to go up. I've been looking at oil go up. Oil's been rising as well, you know, but this is what we see on silver. All right, so this is the first month. This is the month that we're on right now. Could we continue? It's a strong possibility that we could keep going up. All right, this was the previous month. Okay, so for the last what? Since April 20th, right? And I'm talking about April 2020. So April 2020, shit, we still been on this little bull run, just shit pushing. Silver has just been pushing. Okay. So I'll go ahead and delete this. Boom. Show you where we at on the monthly. All right. And that's where we're looking like we're going. So that next top point for that is at 35. All right. $35. So right now we're at 28. All right. It's looking like we're about to get to $35. That's the next point on silver. All right. Here's where we're at right now. This little bottom part right here, you see this little bottom area right here? That's where we're at right now, but we're on this side. So you trade right? Let me go ahead and write this in. Trade right. Say trade right. Trade right, and then say but look left. Boom. So trade right, but look left. So we're trading right, and this is where we are, but we're looking left. So we're really, look, old support becomes new resistance. That's why price is pulling back. So if this was old support right here, right? We'll put OS right here for old support. OS, old support. All right, that's old support. Becomes new resistance, right? And put NR for new resistance. All right. So that's why price is pulling back, just because it's in that area. And yeah, it passed it a little bit. It already kind of retested, but that's why you're seeing that pullback. All right, that's why you're seeing that that pullback. You said you're still holding your tangible silver. Easy call, easy call. What's the name of this one? This was what is this shit? We need to get way more likes too. The rest of y'all on here, smash the like button, smash the like button, smash the like button. Let's keep it going. Smash that like button, man. Smash that like button, smash that like button, man. Smash that like button. Keep smashing that like button. Appreciate all you guys too, man. Y'all are really the truth, man. Y'all are really the truth. You feel me? But I feel like silver is gonna go ahead and push to that 35. Now we're looking at the monthly. I'm speaking long term. I know I got a lot of people, like, the reason I always do the long term is because, so some people just trade Forex, and that's dope. You're great Forex gamblers, you know what I mean? Others, they understand investing, they understand the marketplace. So when I'm breaking this shit down and stuff like that, like they're really like, okay, wait, okay, so this is how you got some people who are gonna go grab silver futures, some people who are already in gold futures. Like I was telling you about Bryce, bro's in Bitcoin futures, you know what I mean? Like I'm not in Bitcoin futures yet, but definitely this week I'm gonna look more into it and get back cracking. But it's like, shit, you see how people from my team are bringing me newer information to be like, oh shit, that is dope, you know? Like actual Bitcoin, okay, I could trade actual Bitcoin, but like Bitcoin futures, like, okay, wait a minute. And then also bro's on that Binance leaderboard. So it's like, it's dope, you know what I'm saying? You got somebody from the team that's out here performing well and doing what they got to do. And really, I like clapping for people who win. So I can't wait to share a lot of you guys' stories just in the future. We got a lot of big things going on at Trade Gang, and you guys also will have a chance, you feel me, to shine as well. You probably like, oh man, Ty, you don't, but I'm giving everybody an opportunity to use our platform to become who they said that they were going to become. And if you're not going to become that person, you can get the fuck out of the way. Other than that, this is the place for people who want to be creators, who want to be free from all that BS. You know what I'm saying? You can come here and you can really work, get cracking, and create. So make sure you join that Discord and stuff like that. And then what else? I said we was gonna go out to what song? I said we was gonna go out to look, we 920. Hey, raise them likes up. Let's get to 1K likes. Let's get to 1K likes before we get up out of here. All right. Let's get to 1K likes before we get up out of here. Dang, 71,703 subs right now. So subs are going crazy. All right, let's get it. Subs are going crazy, man. Oh, you said play that trailing stop? All right, I got y'all. All right, we're gonna win it, profit, trailing stop it, and we get up out of here. Let's get it. So shout out to all you guys, man. If you've learned anything today, man, in the chat while we're jamming to the song, let us know. If you got any suggestions or anything for the stream in the chat, let us know. For this last few 2 minutes, we just gonna vibe out and rock out. But definitely, I want to know streams. I want to know suggestions and stuff like that. I want to know how we can make it better. What's bad? What's good? Like, let me know in the chat right now, you feel me? And then even in the comment section after this video closes and you guys get a chance to comment back, you know, show some love as well. But I'm about to bang that winning profit trying to stop it. I think I did like 2 or 3 hours today, you know what I mean? But shit, man, let's go ahead and get it cracking right here. All right, let's go.
Hey, winning profit, trying to stop it. Winning profit, trying to stop it. Hey, winning profit, trying to stop it. Winning profit, trying to stop it. Hey, winning profit, trying to stop it. 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 Hey, acting like my shit don't stink. Bitch, Bosky, I flow this that rich nigga shit. Hopped out the ride, it's that rich nigga dick. Just check the dollar talk and the monthly is a hit. I don't usually trade the bed.
Easy call, I'm tapping in with y'all right now. What's up? Make sure you smack that like button. It's like 5 hours until them hoodies sell out, so make sure you guys go get on that right now. TradeGang.com. If you're here already, make sure you go get on that TradeGang.com before those hoodies sell out. Let's go.
Intuition tell me selling instant profit, so it's done. It's fluently, it's traffic, it's savage shit when I want. It's a trade gang, nigga, yeah. Now you know what's up. Acting like my shit don't stink. Don't stink. Bitch. Bosky, I flow this that rich nigga shit. Hopped out some trades that AK on a low clip. Hey, winning profit, trying to stop it. Winning profit, trying to stop it. Hey, winning profit, trying to stop it. Winning profit, trying to stop it. Hey,
let's go. Shout out to all you guys, man. Always remember, winning profit, trying to stop it, man. Let them trades run. What's up? Anybody trade options, let me know. Ooh. Anybody trade crypto, let me know.
Then up the lot so I can bring the big tanks. Ay, keep my wrist on lock, put cookies in the tray. Ay, execute the trade, living life, enjoy my day. Let the money work itself unless I'm scalping interest trade. But it's you get the
Okay.
kids be feeling up to say.
I'm about to come downstairs, okay?
They feeling this ways and I can tell it that we working at that minimum wage. I got a stake in it, states in the ways. Ay,
Oh, shit.
gates on lock, so we creep to the lane. Forex on the other side, I lead a broker in the chains. If the broker call us back, they know that I would interest rate. Motherfucker, yeah, you know that's the name of the game. Ay, when the private trailer-
Turn up, turn up, turn up. Hey, my grandma just turned 80 today. Hey, man, in the comment section, man, you guys go ahead and put happy birthday. I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna show her. Be like, happy birthday. Her name is Georgie, so say happy birthday, Georgie, in the chat. Let me see. I'm gonna record this joint. Let me see. Y'all spam the chat right now. Y'all spam the chat right now. I feel like this would be a dope. Oh man, Forex moving like NASCAR. Shit, I'm about to get up out of here, but man, y'all spam the chat. Y'all spam the chat with the happy birthdays. Y'all spam the chat with the happy birthdays.
Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars.
Hey, let's get it.
Fast cars.
Hey, let's get it.
Little bank nigga, and we passed
Yo, she gonna love this.
stock cars. Yeah, we big like the
Hey, she gonna love this. Be like, happy birthday, Georgie. What's good?
stock prices going up. This is stock pop.
Oh, that's love, man. That's love.
New stock.
That's love.
On my schedule like TikTok. Watch the way I rip in my wrist lock.
That's love, man. Shout out to Trade Game, man. I appreciate you guys, man. I'm about to get up out of here for the day. Shout out to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all go to the website, TradeGame.com. Hey, Queenie, look.
Keep the tyllionaire underground. Ghosts popping up, catch you in the underground. Pull a lever in it, flood and make the profit drown. Talking big money, nigga, you don't hear the sound. Hey, now they on my way. If everybody around me trying to trade.
All right, I'll see y'all soon, man. Appreciate you guys. I'll see y'all soon. Shout out to all y'all.
Moving like NASCAR. Forex
Always keep the money on tilt, man. Appreciate y'all, and I'm out this bitch. What's happening? Troy!
She say? Hi.